Hey my champions, everybody, a very warm welcome to all of you on BYJU'S Exam Prep. Let me make my throat clear first of all. Okay guys, so guys, are you ready for the complete mock test? Guys, here me, Richa ma'am, Krishna sir and Joshit Sir will be taking the complete mock test, the semi-final before the 12th final. Okay, and here that will be exactly as GATE pattern. There will be all subjects including maths and aptitude. Okay, and the weightage will be same as that is in GATE exam, or it will be similar because GATE exam or the GATE conducting authorities have never said that the soil will be of 14 or 16 or whatever marks exactly. They never said that survey will be 4 or 3 or 5 whatever marks exactly. But yes, whatever the recent trend was, whatever the average of last many years, we have taken that. This will include all subjects of civil engineering, and this will include today including all subjects of civil engineering and maths and aptitude, the semi-final before final. And of course, if I talk about the pattern will be same like in GATE exam. 30 questions of 1 marks, 35 questions of 2 marks, total 100 marks today, total 65 questions today. And yes, this will include MCQ, this will include MSQ, and this will include NAT type of problems. Okay, so everything will be here, guys. Are you super duper excited? Please tell me, let me know. And guys, please share the session with everybody, like the session so that everybody can get benefited, your friends can get benefited. Okay, now this is about me. My name is Abhinav Sir, having 11 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, all India rank 164. Okay, Telegram link I've shared in the chat box. So I'll be giving you, we will be giving you the PDFs in our respective Telegram. Okay, so guys, 12th of February, the final. Today is semi-final, na? Today is semi-final, na? 12th of February will be the final, guys, where we whole team of civil engineering will be here. Okay, will be here for giving you the complete solution of both forenoon and afternoon shift. So please don't miss that event. Okay, so just after the exam for forenoon and afternoon, we'll be guys live there. Yes, if you want to take some scholarship from BYJU'S Exam Prep, you can give that test on app 7:30 p.m. That is the scholarship test. Okay, and after giving the exam, yes, there will be a rank predictor tool also. Once the response key will be out, and you can analyze your rank there also. Guys, this will be tonight. Okay, that guys, mechanical paper has already been done. What was the level of SOM? What was the level of FM? How was maths? How was aptitude? That we will be taking here tonight. Okay, we all three. Okay, this is my Telegram group still by Abhinav Sir. Now coming to today's session, guys. Today's session is like this. Okay, like see, aptitude was of 15 marks. Okay, this is fixed. This is fixed, guys. Aptitude variation is fixed. 5 questions of 1 marks and 5 questions of 2 marks. Even guys, let me tell you, maths sometimes also, not in civil, mechanical and major branches, but in other branches comes different of 13 marks, maybe coming a 12, maybe coming 11, maybe coming 14. Okay, so maths is almost fixed but not 100%, but aptitude is 100% 15 marks, and other subject, this is today. Okay, if you see these, the cumulative sum, it will be 30. If you see these cumulative sum, it will be 35. If you see these cumulative sum, it will be 100. And if you see these cumulative sum, it will be 65. So pattern will be exactly as GATE today. Okay, now these are the things that I will be taking: SOM, survey, soil and engineering mathematics. On total, out of 100 marks, 27, 32, 36 marks I'll be taking. Okay. Then other faculties will be coming after me. Richa ma'am will be coming with environment, OCF, hydrology, irrigation, steel. Then Krishna sir will be coming with RCC, mechanics, structural analysis and BMC. And then Joshit sir will be coming FM, transportation and aptitude. Okay, now before here, let me tell you about the cutoff also. Okay, if you just want to clear the cutoff, then cutoff will be approximately, you can say 32 marks. If difficulty level is not one of the difficult paper in the history of civil engineering, or not one of the easiest, and in today's mock test also it will be this. If you want IIT, go for more than 64 marks. If you want PSU, go for more than 78 marks. That is all India rank now 350. Guys, earlier I'm saying in 2021 even the all India rank 100 is not getting PSU, but now the seats are more. That is why I'm taking this. Okay, and for IIT you should be getting all India rank less than 1500 to 1400 and so. So this is the cutoff for today's mock test also. Okay, this is the cutoff or this is the expectation for today's mock test also. Okay, let's begin with question number 1. Excellent. do it. A column has a rectangular cross section. Okay, a column has a rectangular cross section. Okay, sir, of 10 mm into 20 mm. This is 10 mm, this is 20 mm, length is 1 meter. The slenderness ratio is asked. Everybody please let me know in the comment section. Lambda. Slenderness ratio is asked. Everyone on the comment section. Fast. This is a 1 mark question. This is a 1 mark question. And this is a 1 mark question. Okay. Nobody till now? Nobody till now? Okay. Now since both ends are springs, so L lambda is equal to, everyone please see, this PDF will be giving in our Telegram groups, L effective by R minimum. For both side pins, L effective will be 1 meter, that is 1000 mm upon R minimum. Now what is R minimum? What is R minimum? R minimum is equal to root I minimum by A. Okay. Nobody is giving, come on yaar, give me the answers yaar. Now I minimum about this axis. About this axis. It is equal to 10 into 20 cube by 12. Okay. And I about this axis. I about this axis will be 20 into 10 cube by 12. Of course this is the minimum. Of course about this axis it will be the minimum. Yes or no? Yes or no? Everybody. 20 into 10 cube by 12. So the minimum one is not this. Minimum one is this. So 20 into 10 cube by 12. What is area? Area is 10 into 20. Area is 10 into 20. Now from here the value is coming to be, please check 2.88 into 10 ki power minus 3 meter. Are you getting the same value? Are you getting the same value, everybody? 2.88 into 10, if I mm, this is in mm na, so this is 2.88, so this comes approximately 346. That is option number B. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, guys. Come on, like the session, yeah. Come on, let everybody get benefited of this session. I have already told you the cutoff. Raju, Swapnil, Rishabh Pant. The cutoff for this mock test will be exactly or almost, it will be most probably set same as that of the final match. The final match is 12th February. Approximately 32 marks. IIT more than 64 marks and PSU more than 78 marks, because the number of PSUs are more now with more number of seats. Okay, so we have just done question number 1 till now. It was only 1 marks question. Let's move further now. Yes. Question number 2. This is a massless beam. Even this word is useless. I am saying they wasted the ink, because unless mentioned in so we take it massless. Even if this word is not written, we will take it massless. Unless the density is given or unit weight is given, then only we'll be taking it a mass thing. Otherwise we take it a massless. Okay, a massless beam has a loading pattern. If you want, guys, do you want to know the difficulty level of SOM and FM? After this question we'll be doing. After this question we'll be doing. After this question we'll be doing. Now, a massless beam has a loading pattern as shown in the figure. The beam is of rectangular cross section with a width of 30 mm and height 100 mm. The maximum bending moment occurs at. fast. Everyone. The maximum, guys, see the shear force diagram will be something like this. Okay, this is the shear force diagram. And if I talk about the bending moment diagram, the positive and constant like this, like this, like this. The bending moment diagram will be like this. Now, of course, we want to find out positive. Positive and Abhinav ne ki method yaar. Positive magnitude like this, negative magnitude wise increasing like this. So of course here will be the bending moment maximum. Here will be the bending moment maximum. Do you want to know the level of civil, FM and SOM? FM and SOM of mechanical and maths and aptitude, I'll be telling you after this question. So where shear force will be zero na? Where shear force will be zero, the maximum bending moment will be where shear force is equal to zero. Okay sir, got it sir. Now let us find this. Guys, RA plus RB, the upward load, RA plus RB is equal to 3000 into, this is in mm. This is in mm. Okay, 4000 meter, 4 kilometer beam will not be there. 4 kilometer, 4000 meter means 4 kilometer beam. Okay, so RA plus RB 3000 into 2 meter. That is 6000. That is 6000 Newton. Okay. RA plus RB is equal to 6000 Newton. RA plus, in fact, RC. RA plus RC is 6000 Newton. Now, after this, summation of movement about any point is equal to 0. So, RA into 4 clockwise, 4000 means 4 meter. RA into 4 clockwise, and this is 6000 Newton. Nah? So, 6000 acting at center of mass here at 1 meter. So, 6000 into 1. 6000 into 1. So, from here, RA value is equal to 1500 Newton or 1.5 kilonewton. So, this is 1500. This is 1500. So, this will be 4500. Are you getting the same value? Are you getting the same value? Please let me know. 1500 and 4500. Are you getting the same value? RA is equal to 1500. Check my calculations. Check my calculations. Everyone out there. Everyone out there. Check my calculations. Okay. Now, if I write that where it will be 0, shear force, let us draw a section here and X from here. Now, shear force at XX is equal to, from right hand side, it is RC 4500 minus WX. That is 3000 into X, and this has to be 0. This has to be 0. So, X value will be 1.5. So, from here, X value, X will be 1.5 meters. Okay, 1.5 meters means 1500 mm. And if it is 1500 mm from here, 1.5 meter means 1500 mm. Total is 4000. So that means it is from here 2500 mm. Okay, 2500 right of A. That is C. Have you got the same answer? Yes or no, everyone? Okay. Now, before going to question number 3, let me tell you about the mechanical analysis. The SOM was of 8 marks. Okay, and FM was there of 9 marks, and SOM questions were easy, FM questions were moderate. SOM, one question was from Mohr circle, one question was from thermal stresses, one question was the easiest question of all questions, stiffness. Okay, it was asked that what is the stiffness at point A. So delta at point A is PL cube by 3EI. So what will be the stiffness? P by delta. So P by delta will be 3EI by L cube. Okay, me and Joshit Sir will be taking that session also of SOM and FM of mechanical. Okay, so SOM was of 8 marks, FM was of 9 marks. It is हमेशा ऐसा ही पूछा जाता है वहाँ पर. And the difficulty level of SOM was easy, FM was moderate, and maths and aptitude was slightly more than average, slightly more than. Okay, now this is question number 3. everyone on the comment section, please let me know the answer. Everyone on the comment section. Question number 3. The equivalent spring constant at AB at C for the setup shown in the figure below, where EI is the unity. Okay, let it be point at O. This is O. What is the stiffness at O? The question is, what is the stiffness at O? Everyone on the comment section. Guys, we have done this kind of questions before also, so it is not anything new to you. It is not new to you. Okay, now if I make this all two differently, see, all pass differently. This is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. Okay, this is C and this is D of 0.5, 0.5. Let some load P is coming here. See the concept. This is 2 marks question. P is coming here, 1 unit, 1 unit. So it will be some deflection. This will go in some deflection. Suppose delta 1. Okay, and guys, it will not be only P. From bottom there will be some reaction also, R. There will be some reaction R also, because it is touching here, guys. It is touching here. There will be some reaction also. Now this will be a spring, so R will be here downward in it. So for balancing, R will be here, and again R will be transferred here. First of all, any doubt in this free body diagram? First of all, any doubt in this free body diagram? First of all, any doubt in this free body diagram? This P is here. If apply P, then there will be some reaction from the spring. Okay, R downward for balancing, R downward balancing this and this R. Now, what is the stiffness, guys? What is the stiffness? This is a 2 mark question. This is a 2 marks question. Guys, stiffness is at point O. What is the load at O? And what is the deflection at O? This is the stiffness. This is the formula for stiffness, guys. P by delta 1. This is the stiffness formula, P by delta 1. Suppose here the deflection is delta 3. Now, guys, of course, I hope you can all relate this. Delta 2 is equal to delta 1 minus delta 3. There's a very important statement here. Delta 2 is equal to delta 1 minus delta 3. Okay, what is the deflection? What is the deflection of the spring? Suppose this is gone 3 meter downward and this is gone 1 meter downward. This is 3, this is 1. So what is the elongation of spring? 2 meter. Or what is the change in dimension of spring? 2 meter. Are you getting this or not? I am again saying, suppose this is going 3 meter downward. This point is going 3 meter downward and this is point only going 1 meter downward. So spring elongation will be 2 na, or spring deformation will be only 2 na. If this point is going 3 downward and this point is only going 1 downward. Oh bhai yaar, come on, see, this is Abhinav Negi. This point is going, my head is going 3 downward and my legs are only going 1 downward. So my shortened thing or my deformation will be 2 na. If my head is going 3 and my legs are also going 3 downward, then net elongation will be 0, 3 minus 3. Okay, so this is the case. Now what is delta 2? What is the delta 2 is here. What is delta 2? R by K. R by K. What is the delta 1? Delta 1 is P minus R L cube by 48 EI. L is 2, 1 and 1 by 48 EI. The deflection formula for the load when it is center, P L cube by 48 EI. And delta 3 is, delta 2 is equal to delta 1 minus delta 3. R L cube, L is 1 upon 48 EI. From here, what is the value of R you will be getting now? 4 by 5P. Okay. And once this is delta 1 na. This is delta 1 na. In delta 1 put R value. In delta 1 put R value. You will get P by 30. This is delta 1 na. Put the value of R. It will be P by 30. And once you put P by 30 here, so K becomes 30 units. Good or not? Excellent question or not? Excellent question or not? Excellent or not, guys? Keep sharing the video, guys. Everyone out there. Everyone out there. Okay. So, guys, after this, let me again tell you. Okay, cutoff will be 31 or whatever, 30, 31, 32 marks for this test. More than 65 marks for IIT and more than 78 marks for PSU. So, SOM is done. 3 questions we have done. 1 mark question was 2 mark question was, this is 4 marks. SOM is done. Okay. Now, let's go to the survey. Survey will be again doing 3 questions. Okay. Guys, why I have put this weightage? Because from last 3-4 years, the weightage of SOM is not that much more. Now, guys, come on. Kill this question. Kill this question. Everyone. A line AB has magnetic bearing of 44 degree 30 minutes when declination was 4 degree 30 minutes west and declination change is observed as 6 minutes east per year. Find the number of years when magnetic bearing is 40 degree. Find the number of years when magnetic bearing is 40 degree. Everyone. Excellent. A line magnetic meridian was somewhere here, guys. Magnetic meridian was supposed somewhere here in 1910. Okay, if a line has magnetic bearing 44 degree 30, oh, whatever year. Okay, now the bearing of a line AB was 44 degree 30 minutes. 44 degree 30 minutes. Now the bearing, it is saying that 40 degree. That means, of course, the magnetic meridian now mm dash is now 40 degree. So how much it is changed? How much this is changed? 4 degree 30 minute. So the change required is 4 degree 30 minute. To make bearing from 44 degree 30 minutes to 40 degree, 4 degree 30 minute change is required. And 4 degree 30 minute change is required. And every year it is 6 minutes. So what is the number of years? For 4 degree 30 minutes is actually 270 minutes. And every year 6 minutes. So number of years, we want this much change. Every year it is 6 minutes. So 6 for your 24. 6 for your 24, 30, 45 years. Have you got the C option? Yes, Swapnil, Subhash, Bindu, Rishabh, Star. Okay. Let's move to now question number 5. Everyone. Okay. This was of 2 marks. Okay. Yes. Guys, what is this question? Very controversial question, first of all. This is a very controversial question. This is a very, very controversial question. Let us try to solve this. What it is saying, that the observed magnetic bearing of a line OE was found to be 85 degree. Okay. Observed magnetic bearing was from right magnetic meridian. Sorry, observed was from wrong, the deflected one. From wrong magnetic meridian, there is a line OE and it was found to be 85 degree. Okay. Now, it was later discovered that station O has a local attraction of 1.5 degree west. Therefore, right magnetic meridian was somewhere here. And local attraction was 1.5 degree west. Okay, sir. Therefore, the correct magnetic bearing is 83.5 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone. Therefore, from the right magnetic meridian, the OE line, from right magnetic meridian, the OE line was at 83.5 degree. 83.5 degree. Okay. Just guys, come on, give me the answers on the comment box. Now, what is written? The true bearing of the line OE has to be found out, considering a declination of 4.5 degree east. True meridian was here, and this declination was 4.5 degree. So what is the true bearing? So true bearing is angle from here 83 and 488 degree. B option. Have you got this? Yes. Now this was surveying. Yeah, one more question surveying. This is MSQ. And guys, now next will be coming soil mechanics with lot of MSQs. Next we are coming with soil mechanics with a lot of MSQs. Everyone, please let me know this. Which of the following statements are wrong? Sum of interior angle is 2n plus 1 into 90. No. Sum of interior angle is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. This is the correct. The basic shape of chain surveying. Guys, in chain surveying is triangle. Yes, we divide our area into triangle so that we don't have to do work on the bigger area. We can divide in smaller areas. So in smaller areas the error will be less. Why sir? Why in smaller areas error will be less? Because I believe that when you are measuring a distance of Delhi and Mumbai, you will making more error, and when you are making the distance of this marker, you will put less error. That is why we divide our areas into the smaller parts. Okay, this is absolutely correct. Bad ranging is compensating error. Very logical. Tell me, this is true or false? Please tell me in the comment box. Very logical. Bad ranging is a compensating error. I want to see the answers on the comment box. I want to see the answers on the comment box. Bad ranging, true or false? Guys, please like the session here. More than 60 people are watching, only 40 likes. Wrong. Guys, see, bad ranging means you are not measuring horizontally. Bad ranging means you are not measuring. This is the true value. True value is horizontal. Bad ranging means you are going here. So this is the measured value. In bad ranging, always the measured value is greater than true value. Yes or no? I'll prove this. In bad ranging, always you are measuring more because the smallest distance will be the perpendicular or will be the straight line. Smallest distance will be the straight line. You are measuring more or less. So error is equal to measured value minus true value. So here error is equal to positive always. Error is equal to positive always. And when error is positive always, how it can be a compensating error? Because in compensating it is sometimes positive, sometimes negative, sometimes positive, sometimes negative. Okay, so it is not a compensating error. Temperature variation is on the day of survey is compensating error. No. Temperature variation is compensating error. No, it is a systematic error. So only answer will be B. And sir, how it is MSQ then? Guys, I am telling you from last 2 years. Okay, wrong is asked. So answer will be ACD. Answer will be ACD. Okay. Now let me tell you, even if they are asking right now, then also it is MSQ, because actually MSQ subset is MCQ. MSQ means 1 may be correct, 2 may be correct, 3 may be correct, 4 may be correct. Okay, Aditya Varma, that is why I called that. I deleted that. Okay, so moving further now. See, this is done, SOM is done, survey is done. Now we are coming to the soil mechanics. Okay, MSQ 1 marks. Fast. MSQ 1 marks. Fast. And guys, I will be putting the PDF in my Telegram group, and all other faculty Telegram group they will be putting. MSQ है भाई, MSQ है, MSQ है। Okay, effect guys, quicksand condition effective stress is 0. Gradient is g minus 1 upon 1 plus c after derivation of sigma bar 0. And if you put E value is equal to n upon 1 minus n. So from here you will be getting this. C is correct. And gradient is C. G is around 2.6 to 2.7. G is around 2.6 to 2.7 minus 1. And E is 0.6 to 0.7. So this value is nearly about 1. So answer will be A, B, C. Most of you are correct here because I know most of you are champions. Guys, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir, where I will be putting you the answers. Now again MSQ. This is, guys, now soil will be most of the questions I have taken MSQ. Everybody, please do it. Please do it. Guys, in the drill triangle for dry sand. Dry sand means C is equal to 0. Okay, what is sigma 3? Sigma 3 is equal to sigma confining is equal to 61. Sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 plus sigma D. 61 plus 218. 260. 278. 279. Okay. So sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 1 plus sin phi 1 minus sin plus 2c, that part will be 0. So sigma 1 is equal to 279 is equal to 61 1 plus sin phi 1 minus sin phi. So from here the phi value is 40 degree. So from here the phi value is 40 degree, and once I plot the Mohr circle, so this is 279, this is 61. Okay, this sand, C will be 0 like this. So this angle is 40 degree. This angle is 40 degree from major plane. From major plane, what is the angle? 45 plus, this is 90 plus 5. So in real life it will be 45 plus 5 by 2. Okay, 45 plus 5 by 2 means this is 90 plus 5 na. So in real life this angle will be 45 plus 5 by 2. So 45 plus 20, that is 65. Correct. Phi is 40 degree. Correct. It is 45 minus 5 by 2. So 45 minus 20. So it will be 25. No. And void ratio you can't predict. So answer will be A and B. Have you got it? Have you got it? Everyone? Please let me know. कोई डाउट? Any doubt, guys? Okay, let's move now further. How D is wrong? Void ratio कैसे निकाल लोगे? मैंने कल रात को कम खाना खाया था, इसलिए भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली है क्या? Aditya, I have eaten less food in the night. That's why the capital is New Delhi. So this is nothing to do with void ratio. Now this is 1 mark question. MSQ 1 marks. Phreatic line is the top flow line, guys, of a dam. Okay, the total head is changing. Yes. Why total head? I'll prove this. Why total head is changing? I'll prove this. Total head is equal to pressure head. Pressure head is constant. Here, everywhere pressure is atmospheric. Velocity head in soil is also always 0. So this is constant at phreatic line. Okay, another datum head. Datum head is not constant. Gradually datum is decreasing. Gradually datum head is decreasing. So total head is changing. Have you understood the concept? The total head is changing now because pressure head is constant because it is always atmospheric pressure. Velocity head is 0 in soil mechanics, but DH is changing, so total head is changing. The total head everywhere is 0. No, yeah, that depends on datum. Wherever you put it at much. If you put datum here, how total head is changing? Datum head is this much. The pressure head everywhere is 0. Yes, that can be said to be correct. Atmospheric pressure. No, if I talk about this should be actually written as gauge pressure other than atmospheric. Yes, it will be 0. So A and C. A and C. A and C. Now this 10th question. Excellent, guys. Again, this is a MSQ. Again, this is a MSQ. Everyone. These are the real questions that can be expected in the GATE exam also. It can be expected in the GATE exam also, these kind of beautiful questions. I have already calculated the values in the night so that your time should not be wasted. The ultimate load capacity of a 10-meter long concrete pile cross section area is this. 10-meter long and cross section is 0.5 meter into 0.5 meter is given. C value is given 700 kilonewton. What is QU? What is QU here? QU is CNC QU for this white one. CNC area base plus alpha C into AS. Q is known, C is known, C is how much? 40, NC is 9, area base is 0.5 into 0.5. Alpha is known? No, not known. Alpha is not known, alpha is not known, alpha is not known, C is known, area surface is known. Okay, from here you can find out the alpha value. From here the alpha value is 0.7625. One equation, one unknown. One equation, one unknown. Guys, C is known, 40 kilopascal, QU is 700, NC is 9, area base is 0.5 into 0.5, alpha not known, C is 40, AS is area surface, 0.5 into 10 and such 4 surfaces. Okay, ultimate, what is happening now? Now the cross section, this I am writing with white color. The original question I will be solving with white color. Okay, now the new changes I am showing with orange color. Changes I am showing with the orange color. Now the cross section is reduced. And the length of the pile is increased 20 meter. Earlier it was 10. 0.25 into 0.25. Okay, now what is asking? Ultimate load capacity. So again for QU, C is known, NC is 9, area base is 0.25 into 0.5. Alpha you have got, C you know, area surface is 0.25 into 20 and such 4 surfaces. So from here the value you will be getting is this one. Okay, what is the safe load capacity of new pile? This is the ultimate. The safe load carrying capacity of new pile is 1265. How it can be? How safe load means application of factor of safety. How it can be more than 632? How it can be more than 632? And here the safe load carrying capacity of new pile is, this is the load 632 upon factor of 52. 632 by 2. So this will be 316. This is absolutely rubbish here. So ABD Villas, ABD Villas, ABD, got it? Got it? Okay, now 11th question. 380 kilonewton. What is theta? Convinced formula we have to apply. Now 10 was D by S. What is the 400 mm and what is the spacing? What is the spacing? 1 meter. So tan inverse 0.4 by 1. Tan inverse 0.4 by 1. So what is the value of theta? 21.8 degree. Okay. Now the conveyance formula, group efficiency is given by 1 minus theta by 90. 1 minus theta by 90. One minus theta by 90 m into n minus 1 plus n into m minus 1 into m into n. Okay. Okay, and what is m? Number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows are 4 and there are 20 piles. So n is equal to 4, m is equal to 5. Then only the 20 piles will be there, na? Then only the 20 piles will be there, ना. ये कन्वेंस फॉर्मूला है भाई एफिशिएंसी का, कन्वर्स लेबरे फॉर्मूला, कन्वर्स लेबरे फॉर्मूला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है भाई. नहीं पढ़ा क्या तुमने कभी? आदित्य वर्मा. 1 minus theta by 90, m is the number of columns, n is the number of rows, so it will be. देखो नहीं पढ़ा तो थोड़ा डिटेल में कर देता हूँ, नहीं तो मैं डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखता. नहीं पढ़ा तो थोड़ा डिटेल में लिख दे रहा हूं. m5 था 4 minus 1 plus 4 5 minus 1 into 5 into 4. So group efficiency from here is 62.5%. So 62.5% is correct. That means 92.4 will be wrong. Now what is asked? Capacity of pile. Now what is the capacity of single pile? 380. So 20 piles will be 380 into 20. One pile is 380, so 20 piles will be 380 into 20. But efficiency is 62.5%. So we have to multiply this factor also. And this will be coming as 4750. 4750. Have you got it now? Everybody got it now? Everybody got it now? शिवम QUG का कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगाओगे? जो नॉर्मल होता है? नहीं, आपको ये अलग है, तो उससे नहीं आएगा ये जो आप कह रहे हो, उससे नहीं आएगा शिवम. डी आदित्य वर्मा मेरे से पूछ लो यार. आदित्य वर्मा प्लीज आस्क मी यार, आई एम ऑल्सो हियर. ऋषभ भाई ऑल्सो कैन टेल. ऋषभ भाई इज बिजी विद रोशी. You can ask me, I am not busy with anyone. Okay, D is the diameter of pile. S is center to center spacing. Where is that? Center to center spacing between two piles. Okay, Aditya Verma. Okay. Everybody, guys, please write down your cities. From which city you are? Everyone, guys, please write down your cities. Please write down your cities, guys. Everyone, from which city you are? Come on. Okay. Patna में पटना है क्या? Kashmir. Okay, Danish, I have been to Kashmir. Kashmir, which place? Mathura. I am from Jaipur, Pink City, Bihar. Surat, कपड़ा मिल. मेरठ, गैंगस्टर. सर सॉइल से तो इजी क्वेश्चन ही आए अभी तक. ओके सक्षम, मतलब ये मेरे वाले सेशन में कह रहे हो कि एग्जाम में कह रहे हो? सक्षम कैसे चल रहा है इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस का तैयारी? बंगाल टाइगर शुभजीत बनर्जी. ओके सो गाइस, कंप्लीट एग्जाम एनालिसिस यार, कंप्लीट सिविल इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट एग्जाम एनालिसिस विल बी ऑन 12th. कंप्लीट एनालिसिस विल बी ऑन 12th गाइस. Okay, Saksham. Okay, Devbhumi Negi Shubham is also here. Shubham Bhaji Kakbatak. Dal Lake is fine. Okay, Danish, where my father is also there, na, posted there. He is also, his hotel is, he's from there last 2 years. His hotel is just 0.1 kilometer from Dal Lake. I guess the hotel name was Santoor Hotel, I don't know what was that. Taj, I don't know what was that name. I've been there. Okay. Now, moving to next question. A 2 meter 4 meter rectangular flurry has to carry a uniformly distributed load of 120 as per 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal dispersion. Method of stress distribution, the increase in vertical stress. Okay, sir, got it, sir. Okay, what is the load? What is the load? Load is 120 into area. Area is 2 into 4 and stress is this. So 120 into 8 is 960. 120 into 8 is 960. 120 into 8 is 960. Now the load dispersion rate is something like this. That is 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal. 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal. Okay. Okay, Negi. Now, what is the stress at a depth of 2 meter below? So first of all, let us do calculation about 2 meter. Suppose this is to 4 meter. It can be, you can make it 2 meter also, it will be same. 4. So when we are going one down, it is 1 horizontal. So sorry, 2 vertical is 1 horizontal. So 1 vertical means 0.5 horizontal. So from here to here, 1 vertical is 0.5 horizontal. 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal means 1 vertical is 0.5 horizontal. So 2 vertical means 1 horizontal. So 1 and 1. So stress is 960 by area. So 4 plus 1 both sides in perpendicular to that also. It is 2 meter na. So 2 plus 1. Even if you make it 2, answer will be same. So sigma is 960. 6 into 4. 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24. 24, 960, 40. So 2 meter below it is 40 Pascal. So it is not 60. Similarly, if I want to find out 4 meter below. So load is 960. 4 meter below, see it is 4. 2 meter below, it is 1 and 1. So if we go 4 down, it will be 2 and 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 2, perpendicular, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Sigma is 960 upon 4, 5, 6, 8 into 8. Okay. So 8 1 ja 8. 120 by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 40, 15. Okay, some mistake. 4 plus 2 plus 2. If I am going 2 vertical, it is 1 horizontal. So if I am going 4 vertical, 2 horizontal. 2 and 2. Okay, correct. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 6. Okay, 8 into 6. Yeah, 6. 8 into 6. So 6 से 120 कितने 20 kilopascal. A and B. A and B. Yes, everyone. Okay. The net ultimate bearing capacity of a square pudding. जल्दी से बता दो किसके हिसाब से बताना है, स्कैम्पटन के हिसाब से या ट्रजागी के हिसाब से? फटाफट से everybody on the comment section guys, everyone after me Richa ma'am will be coming. Just tell me fast. Okay, QU is given as 50. So as per Terzaghi, the what is? As per Terzaghi, what is the value? See, first of all, C will be QU by 2, na? Or QU is also called as UCS by 2. So this is 25. This is 25. Now, the net ultimate bearing capacity as per Terzaghi C and C. Wait. It is written as square here also. Don't do this mistake in examination. Directly applying the formula C and C. Okay. So it will be 1.3. So 1.3 into 25. NC if not given, it is 5.7. What is this value coming? 185.25. Now, as per Skempton, what is the formula? As per Skempton, what is the formula? As per Skempton, the formula is QNU is equal to 6 1 plus 0.2 df by b into c. Guys, as per Skempton, the simple formula is CNC. But NC depends on shape and depth. So for this particular value, square shape, this is the formula. Guys, Terzaghi has three terms na, Q and U, CNC plus Q and Q plus half B and gamma. Skempton is very easy, only one term for all cases. For square, for rectangular, this formula, no other term, only one term. Only difference is the NC value will be changing. For square, this is the value. Okay, and what is, if you put it here, 6, 1 plus 0.2 df, df is depth of foundation, and footing is on the surface. Surface पे footing है, df is 0. df is 0. C is 30. C 1 plus 0. So this will be 30 into 6. 30 into 6, please check. No, it is 25, sorry. C is 25. This is 150. Got it? Got it? This one. Everyone? Yes, Aditya Verma. It may come. A soil fails under an axial vertical stress of 100 in an unconfined. Unconfined means sigma 3 is equal to 0, sigma 1 is equal to 0 plus sigma d. Sigma d is 100. So sigma 1 is 100. Sigma 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Sigma 3 is 0. Sigma 1 is 100. Okay, the failure make an unconfined test is done for. Failure makes an angle of 50 degree with the horizontal. So horizontal plane is the major plane. Because horizontal, this 100 is coming, the bigger stress. Sigma c is 0, unconfined. Horizontal is major plane. So for major plane, the angle is 45 plus 5 by 2. Okay, that is 50. So phi is equal to 10. Okay, phi is equal to 10 means these can't be answers. This is MCQ. How you will find that in question it is MSQ, MCQ, whatever? How you will find that? It will be written. It will be written. You don't have to play hide and seek there. Phi is equal to 10. Now C we have to find out. Now if you apply the formula, sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3, 1 plus sin phi, 1 minus sin phi, plus 2c, 1 plus sin phi, 1 minus sin phi, this is 100, this is 0, one equation, one unknown, you can find out the value. One equation, one unknown, you can find the value. हाँ होता है ऋषभ होता है. एक्चुअल में तो फाई 0 होता ही नहीं ना किसी का. एक्चुअल में तो फाई 0 होता ही नहीं ना किसी का. होता है पर यहाँ पे जो एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू आ रही है हमको उसको लेके चलना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू गो विद दोज वैल्यूज. We have to go with those values. Okay, because the value is coming like that. इसका शायद C हो जाएगा, देख लेना. स्कैम्पटन पैरामीटर्स का वैल्यू ऐसा होता है D. किसी को डाउट होगा तो टेलीग्राम पे भेजना. मैंने टेलीग्राम पे एक वीडियो बना के भेजी थी. आई प्रॉमिस्ड that I'll be telling you the differentiation between the safe bearing capacity, net bearing capacity, and how to find that. I put that video on Telegram. If here is also something, please let me know. I'll put that on Telegram. Now guys, अभी तक हमारा SOM is done, survey is done, soil is done. 14 plus 19 plus 4, 23 marks is done. Okay. Now let's go to the maths. Let's go to the maths. Do this one. Do this one. Everyone, please. From a pack of regular playing cards, 2 cards are drawn at random. What is the probability that both cards will be king? So first king will be 1 by 13, 4 by 52 probability. Second, only 3 are left and totals are 51. Or you can say, first card, the probability that king will be there 4 by 52. And second card, only 3 are left now. And total are 51 because it is without replacement. Okay, so this will be the answer. So 4 by 52, 1 by 13. 1 by 13. 23, 3 by 51 is 1 is 3, 1 by 1 is 3 and 21. 3 1 is 3, 17. So 170 plus 51. 170 plus 50, this will be D answer. D answer. Or you can do like this also. When there is not replacement na, so out of 4, any 2 will be there. And total possibilities are 13C2. So 4C2 will be 4 to the 12. 12 by 2 will be 6. 13C2, 13 into 12 by 2, 13 into 6. 13 into 6 is 13 into 6, 13 into 12. 13 into 12, 13 into 12 by 2. 13 into 6, 13 into 6 is 78. 1, 3. No, कुछ गलती हो रही है. We are doing some mistake. 4C2 favorables and total is 13C2. 13C2, if I say 78 looking less, 13 into 12 by 2. 78 looking less, na? 13 into 12 by 2. 13 into 6, 78. Okay, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. पता लगाओ दया. ओके 13C2 क्यों होगा? 13C2 क्यों होगा? 52C2 होगा ना? 52C2. That is 52 into 51 upon 2. 52, 26 into 21. नहीं, 52 into 51. 52 into 51 upon 2. So that is 26. So 6 2 3 2 6. 3 1 3, 21, 17, 13. So this is again the same answer. Okay, yes, Aditya. Now do this one. The probability that a part manufactured by a company will be defective is 0.05. If 15 such parts are selected randomly and inspected, the probability that at least 2. At least 2 means ya to 2, ya to 3, ya to 4 or 15. So probability that 2 will be defective will be equal to, or probability at least 2 means greater than equal to 2. Either 2, either 3, either 4. Yes. This will be 1 minus P 0 and P1. Yes or no? At least 2 means either 2, either 3, 4. Or take these cases, these are not included. Na? So 1 minus this. Whatever you are getting. PDF will be providing in Telegram. Yaar. What is the answer? What is the answer, everyone? Tell me fast. How you will find P0 and P1? Okay, please check, guys. You can easily do this from distribution. You will be getting 0.17. Okay, maths I am not completely solving because not my domain also. The real roots of 5x minus 2x minus q up to 2 decimal places. Okay, numerical methods is only in civil, not coming in much of the other as I know about the gate. Okay, you can apply Newton-Raphson na. What is fx? 5x minus 2 cos x minus 1. What is f dash x? 5 plus 2 sin x. Now apply Newton-Raphson. Newton-Raphson na, xn plus 1 is equal to xn plus fx plus f dash x. I am not expert in maths, guys. To make this possible, I am trying. I am not very expert in maths. Maths of engineering maths. 12th तक तो मैं Olympia topper था. 12th में I got 36 rank in National Olympiad. In 11th. In 12th I got CBSE merit certificate in maths. But not sure with engineering mathematics. Guys, after this Richa ma'am will be coming. Okay. Okay. No, Aditya. Tell me fast from Rangagutta method, what is the value coming? Everyone. It will be 0.88. Okay. Do this one. A box contains 20 defective and 80 non-defective items. If 2 items were selected and removed them without displacement, what is the probability? We had done already this type of king wala same tha na. What is the probability that both items are defective? The same na, we have done this here. King wala question was same. Okay. Fx is this 1/3 rule, equal subintervals. What is the least number of equal subintegrals? What is the least number of equal subintegrals? 2 na? What is the least number of equal subintegrals? 2 na? 0 to 1 we have to integrate na? So least number is x.5 x1. What is fx? What is fx? Fx value, when it is 0, put 9/5, that is 1.8. Put x is equal to 1 here, 3/2 plus 9/5, 1.95. Put x is equal to 1, 0.5 you will get this. Put x is equal to 1. For 1 you are getting 2.4. Please check. Now Simpson, you do study this in survey also. What is Simpson 1/3? That is h/3, first term, plus 4y1 y0 plus yn. So h/3 y0 is 1.8 plus 4 times of 1.95 plus 2.4. What is you are getting? Are you getting 2 answer? Are you getting 2 answer? Everyone? Okay. What is this? Using a unit step size of 1, direct 1 step. What is this value? X fx. Unit size, just 1 directly. At 1 and 2, what are the values? 0, and at 2 it will be 2 ln 2. Okay, trapezoidal method has to be applied. Trapezoidal means like the area of trapezium. 0 plus 2 ln 2. Okay, this value h/2. What is this coming? What is this coming? 0.693. This we derive in survey also na? This we derive in survey also na? So guys, ready? Okay, this is Newton-Raphson. Guys, after this Richa ma'am is coming for super duper question. With super duper question. Do this question. Newton-Raphson लगाना है. X cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Fast, everyone. And guys, on 12th we are coming live for the analysis. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x minus 1. What is the answer you are getting? What is the answer you are getting? 0.3043. Please check. Okay. ऐसा ऐसा कुछ याद आ रहा है मेरे को. Okay. So guys, exam analysis will be on 12th. Okay, the complete solution will be providing you here. Okay, on 12th, both forenoon and afternoon. Both forenoon and afternoon. On 7th February, as I already told you earlier, there is a there is a scholarship test. You can take this test and check, get the scholarship. Rank predictor will be available, guys, once the response key will be out, where thousands of the students are putting their response key, and you will be checking your rank among thousands of others. What we can expect in civil engineering, as we are seeing the other mock, their MSQ ratio, MCQ ratio, difficulty level, that we'll be telling you tonight. PDF I'll be sharing, and we all will be sharing in our Telegram groups. Civil by Abhinav Sir, okay, or it's Civil by Richa ma'am, Civil by Krishna Sir, Civil by Joshit Sir will be putting their Telegram group. Okay. So guys, how is preparation going on? Everyone please. Everyone please. जल्दी से बताओ. How is preparation going on? Awesome. Okay. Okay. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So guys, let me again tell you about this mock test. Richa ma'am will be live from Bhilai in coming 2-3 minutes. We'll be giving you this PDF also. This is the distribution of this test, exactly as gate pattern. Exactly as gate pattern. Okay. And here I have taken SOM, survey, soil and mathematics. Now after me, Richa ma'am will be coming with environment, OC of hydrology, irrigation and steel. And she will be live just after 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you'll be hearing the voice of Richa ma'am directly from Bhilai. Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep again. Everybody ready? Come on guys, be faster. Ready everybody? Faster, faster. Ready? Okay then, let's start. Not waste time anymore. Let's start, be quick. So guys, as you know, exam analysis 12th of February, your last date. You may say that the whole year you waited for will be there. Plus exam analysis will be done live at 1 a.m. for forenoon session, 6 p.m. for afternoon session. And there is a 90% scholarship if you are planning, as this has already been, this will be happening tomorrow, so you guys can register yourself. Next, guys, there is, like, if you want to know your rank predictor, everything will be live from 15th of February. Next, you can join my Telegram group, and after that, this is the whole table which you guys would be having. This is the whole table regarding that, which you will be having. Number of questions which has been done. Now we'll be moving further towards environment, open channel flow, hydrology, irrigation and steel. मैंने ज़्यादा इसलिए बोला क्योंकि उस लेवल की तैयारी करेगा. Okay, fine. So ready guys, everybody? Ready? GATE preparation ebook link is in the description. You guys can join or basically download that. Okay, and let me tell you one more thing, that hydrology MSQ, this is the last MSQ which I'll be taking. You guys told that you wanted it. I asked you guys, so there will be hydrology MSQ and NAT questions which will be happening today 6 p.m. at no 7 p.m. I said na 7 p.m. and 6th of February. So this will be happening today. So you guys can join that. Okay. Now tell me faster. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So that we can proceed. Good morning. I'm good. Star. इसको क्या हो गया भाई? Okay. Ready everybody? Tell me faster, faster. Come on guys. Keep on sharing faster. Ready Rishabh? Okay. So this is the first question of environment with you. इसको. Okay. So this is the first question for 2 marks. Solid waste management. Faster. I'm not going to do first. You will be the one who will be doing it. Faster. Very simple question. They can ask you this question and they can ask you for 2 marks. This is an NAT question. Fast. Faster, faster, faster. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Started? Okay. Let me tell you. Municipal solid waste data is given to you. It is asking you find the total energy on ash-free dry basis. Ash content is given. That means you have to calculate, subtract ash content and you have to subtract the moisture content. Now, in this question, remember you are going to solve it by virtual calculator. Calculation is very, very important. Just check it out. Sabse pehle, the most important thing is check it out. The mass is coming out to be 100 or not. Don't. This is my first logic towards solid waste management. Whenever such question comes, check it out whether the total mass is coming 100 kg or not. That is more important. Then come on guys, calculate the energy content. Let me take it as total 100 kg and let me take it this as 35 kg. So if 1 kg 16,000 kilojoule is present, for 35 kg how much will be present? Simple unitary method. How much it will be coming? Simple unitary method. Simple unitary method, how much it will be coming? Faster. You just need to do what? 16,000 into 35. 15,500 into 10 into 12 into 15 into 28. That's it. Add it and you will get the total energy content in kilojoule per kg. Actually, it won't be kg because you multiplied with the kg. So now it won't be per kg. It will be the total energy in kilojoules. How much it will come? Anybody? Swapnil, Rishabh, come on, answer fast. How much? Add all of them. How much it will come? This is the total energy. But remember, ये 100 kg की energy है. This is the energy for 100 kg of mass. In the question, I want it for per kg. So energy for per kg, what you have to do is 1178700 divided by 100. So it will come out to be 11787 kilojoule per kg. This will be the energy. This will be the energy. But the problem is in the question it is asking ash-free dry basis. And this is the energy as discarded basis. Remember, this question will give you short marks if you are very much clear with your concepts. Basis. Okay. Now what you have to do, last thing you have to do is you have to calculate the moisture content. That's it. Moisture content you have to calculate. So again, 35 kg, 5% multiply, 10 into 6, 12 into 25, 15 into 75, 28 into 65. When you multiply both of them, you will get the total moisture content. How much you will be getting? That will be for 100 kg. Remember this. Very, very important. But this moisture content which you will be getting, that will be for 100 kg mass. How much it will be coming, guys? How much? How much? Just multiply and add it. Just multiply and add it. 3480. Just check it out. This is the moisture content for 100 kg. If I want it for percentage moisture content, you can say, or though you can say total moisture content. This will be 3480 divided by 100. So this will be 34.8%. This will be the moisture content. Now you need to do nothing. What it has asked you, energy on ash-free dry basis. So energy on ash-free dry basis. It will be equal to energy as discarded basis, which was 11787 into 100 divided by 100 minus moisture content in percentage minus ash content in percentage. This will give you. Question is simple, very very simple. Only calculations are there that will be done. So agar if such question comes in the examination, make sure that you do it at the last, because in a hurry there are chances that you might do calculation mistakes. Come on guys, how much it is coming? Calculate this and tell me. 1925 9.8. Just check it out. This is the one which is coming. Faster, faster. This is the one which is coming. So this is very simple. Only thing is calculation mistakes are, you can do it. Otherwise, nothing is there. 2 marks is for sure shot. Now, I am giving you after this an MSQ question. I want answer from everybody. Swapnil, everybody I want the answer. Rishabh and everybody. Prabhuji, oh. Come on. Gyanendra Prabhuji. Everybody I want the answer. This is who you are getting. Na? 19259.8. Correct. I want the answer. MSQ question. Actually, the shape of the sewer part, we leave it because we think kabhi nahi puchega, it won't be asked. It is the part of ESE, which is a very wrong concept because it is there in the syllabus of GATE. So that is why, which of the following statement are correct? Come on guys, MSQ question. I want the answer, then only I'll proceed. तुक्का मारो, कुछ भी करो, नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, चलो तुक्का ही लगाओ. Guess work, do it guess work, but tell me the answer. Come on, faster. Danesh, thoda sa. Come on guys, think it more. Rishabh only said, what about others? Come on, fast. See, maximum chances are there. If you see the past 2 years patterns of MSQ, theoretical questions has been asked as far as environment is concerned. So maximum chances are there. We can hope that this year also they will be asking the theoretical question only. Those who said 1, everybody is right. Those who said 1, everybody is right. We use it for low discharges. Okay, firstly. Secondly, let me tell you, everywhere you would have basically read about it, but you are not remembering now. Circular shaped sewers are more stable. And here it is written X-shaped sewer are more stable. So this is wrong. Circular sewers are more stable. They are resistant to corrosion. N number of things are there. They can fit easily, easy to carry, uniform stresses everywhere. So many advantages are there. So those who ever said 1, firstly Rishabh said, and others also said, that's correct. Okay. Now, this one, very, very simple question. You know this, 1 marks question. You guys know this. Tell me fast. Fast. The specific gravity of sewage is सोच के थोड़ा. You know what? We are frightened of NAT and MSQ. But दुश्मन तो MCQ बैठा है भाई. We should be frightened of MCQ because 1 marks you won't get and 1/3 negative will also be done. That's why. Slightly greater than 1. Whosoever is saying less than 1, na baba, 1.03, 1 point something. So it will be slightly greater than 1. Okay. So this you have to make sure. Now, this question. Remember, every time we have the habit in this question, read this question. I'll tell you one thing before we do this question. Actually, the formula for critical DO deficit or basically critical oxygen deficit you have is L by F 10 raised to power minus KD into TC, where TC is the critical time. Make sure if it is not required, don't use that formula because you will be wasting your time in calculating critical time. Okay, so I told you another formula, guys. Remember, another formula which is compared to that is easy. So you guys can do this formula. This will be very much easy as compared to that. F1 minus F minus 1 T0 by. This is the formula. Have I written it correctly? Because I have to judge you all also, right? So in this, everything if you see it in the question, mark my words guys, paper देने जा रहे हो, critical time formula अगर जरूरत नहीं है, if it is asking you distance, then it is required, velocity into time, then mandatorily you have to calculate it. But in this question, it is not required. So don't waste your time. Okay. Now, calculate coefficient of purification of stream already given 4.25. 4.25 minus 1 is 3.25. Initial DO deficit is already given to you 0.56 mg per liter. Ultimate BOD 28.28. 28.28. DC critical DO deficit you have to calculate 4.25. 4.25 minus 1, that is 3.2. How much it is coming? There are more MSQs. You wait. I have to strengthen your concept. So I can't say take a chance on MSQ, guys. Come on, faster. How much it will be coming? Simple. Whatsoever calculation you get it, 1 by 3.25. So ये power का tension खत्म. How much it is coming? Yes or no? Just check it out. Is it coming 4.35? Just check it out once. Yes? Come on then. Okay. This is for 1 marks. This is for 1 marks. Remember, this is important. Abhi, if you are talking about yesterday environmental science paper came. I don't know if you see the paper. I asked my students there. They asked database things, and you will be surprised. They didn't ask question on activated sludge process. They asked one question regarding BOD, and there was question regarding air pollution index, air quality index, basically. Okay, and there were many questions with database. If I'm talking about environmental science one. And last time they asked regarding ASP, but this time they haven't. So I have included this because consistently they have been asking in GATE. You don't know whether this year they will be continuing the legacy of ASP or they will be removing it. We don't know about it. So at least हमें ध्यान में रहना चाहिए. We have to take it in the mind that ASP you cannot dare to leave and go. So theta C, QW, XU, XC. This question I have made you do quite a number of times because I want you that you should remember this formula and not always XC is 0 because here see effluent suspended solids is given to you. Everything is given to you. Just volume of aeration tank is given to you 10800. Mixed liquor suspended solids 2400 mg per liter. QW into XU. How much is QW? 220 meter cube per day. How much is XQ? How much is XQ? 9400. 34,000 minus 220 into how much is XC? 30. You will get it. You will get it. Solve it. You will get the answer in days. Because ऊपर नीचे बाकी चीजें everything will get cancelled out. mg per liter will go. Everything will go. You will get the answer in days. How much it is coming? MCQ question. Simple. See, in this question, you have to do the calculation because all options are nearby. 8.22, 8.32, 8.42, 8.52. So you have to do the calculation. Nazar hati, durghatna ghati. So you have to make sure about the calculation. How much it is coming? Correct. 8.42. Come on, this one. BOD. BOD, if you talk about, as I told you, environmental science, yesterday paper, one question of BOD was asked. That was a simple question, but they have asked one question. Come on. A sample of sewage is estimated to have a 5-day 20 degrees Celsius. I'll tell you a shortcut of dealing with such sort of questions. A very shortcut approach. I'll tell you first what is happening in this question. 5 days BOD, 20 degrees Celsius is given to you as 250 mg per liter. Now it is asking that it wants the same. It will be increasing the temperature and it wants the same BOD. That is how much? 250 mg per liter, but obviously the days will be lesser. You don't know the number of days, but that 30 degrees Celsius. So remember, I'll tell you first shortcut. If out of 4 options, 3 options are more than 5 days, you can reject it. But only one option is more than 5 days. That means you have to do the calculations. You cannot do anything, you have to do the calculations. But if it comes for 1 marks, and if let us suppose, here also it's 1 marks, but if it comes for 1 marks and 3 options are there which is more than 5 days, only the one option which is less than 5 day will be the answer. Firstly. Secondly, let me tell you, in this questions, since both the days, the BOD will be equal, but you don't know here the number of days. So you know L naught, 1 minus 10 raised to power minus K 20 degrees Celsius into 5 days. Here it will be 1 minus 10 raised to power minus K 30 degrees Celsius into T days. We don't know. If you adjust, here also L naught will be there. So if you do all these, this L naught cancel, after everything, you will be getting 10 raised to power minus 5 K 20 degrees Celsius, and here it will be 10 raised to power minus K 30 degrees Celsius into T. So you will take log. So simply you will be getting 5 K 20 degrees Celsius, and here you will be getting K 30 degrees Celsius. Here I made a mistake. Can anybody tell me what is the mistake, guys? Is any mistake is there or no? You just took log on both the sides, nothing you do. 5K 20 degrees Celsius. If you want directly ye likh lo. Simple. You will be, don't do that L naught nikal rahe, substituting in another. Don't do all that shit in the examination. K 30 degrees Celsius is K 20 degrees Celsius 1.047 T minus 20. 30 minus 20 is 10 into T. Everything you know, K20 will get cancelled out. Everything you know, guys. Come on, now solve it. Solve it, you will get the answer. मैम base 10 तो mention नहीं है. E भी लेके चलो, ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं आएगा. But you know this KD formula, we use it when it is base 10. You use it when it is base 10. Rishabh. How much it is coming? 3.15. So approximately 3.2 you can mark. Okay? Come on. This question. Come on, guys. I want the answer. Let us suppose पढ़ के नहीं गए, you haven't studied and this question came in examination. Even if you haven't studied solid waste management, by simple logic and simple IQ, you will solve this question, because solid waste questions which has been asked in examination till now are totally based on your IQ. Come on, guys. Simple, simple, simple. Very, very simple. Come on, I want the answer from everybody. Krishna, Rishabh, Sachin, everybody, guys. Simple question, very simple. And this is can. जो tin cans वाले जो can बस normally cans है ना, वो can है वो. English वाला can नहीं है. So मैं वहां पे I won't be coming in the examination to tell you which can is there. So I'm telling you here. Come on, guys. 7 people per person generates 0.5 kg of solid waste. So 0.5 kg is generated by one person. So total waste generated will be 0.5 into 7. Now, if the collection is done once in 3 weeks, so in this 3 weeks, how much will be generated? Because this is kg per day. Units, solid waste में units का हाथ पकड़ लो. Hold the hands of units, they will never ditch you. Okay, relationship can ditch you, but units will never ditch you. Remember that. Okay, so this is the total solid waste per day generated by 7 people. But the garbage is can is about basically, or the collection is done once in 3 weeks. So 3 weeks means 21 days. So 3 weeks means 21 days. So this will tell you total amount of solid waste generated. How much? C answer बता लो. किसका answer C? Oh, you got the answer. Okay, let us check it out. How much it is coming? This is the total solid waste which is generated. How much it will be coming? 73.5 kg. This is the total solid waste which will be generated. Now look at the density. Density is given to you 160 kg per meter cube. So solid waste and density. What you will get? You will get volume. Volume is equal to mass upon density of solid waste. Mass is 73.5 kg and density is 160 kg per meter cube. How much is the volume coming? Simple. बस volume निकल गया, खेल खत्म. 0.459 meter cube is the volume, which you can call it as 459 liters. So volume which is generated in 3 weeks is 459, and how the can capacity is 170 liters. So number of cans required will be 459 divided by 170. How much it is coming? How much it will be coming? 2.7, but 2.7 cans, nothing like this is there. So you will round it off to the higher side, that is 3. That's it. And don't you think these questions will be asked because they are damn simple. कुछ नहीं किया है, सिर्फ units and basic common sense. Rishabh, Swapnil, got this? Everybody else. Simple question based on logic. Hello. MSQ question. How can you leave MSQ question? So air pollution MSQ question. 2 marks. 2 marks. Come on guys, 2 marks question. Faster. I want the answer. See, whenever MSQ is concerned, I want the answer, then only I'll proceed. Last question of environment, air pollution, which you cannot forget, and MSQ question. Faster. Faster, faster. Low level of carbon monoxide can also result in a high level of carboxyhemoglobin, and it affects the central nervous system. Absolutely correct. You know carbon monoxide has the affinity for hemoglobin. You know that. Correct. Acid gases cause change in the surface appearance of ceramics. That is also correct. Compared to sulfur dioxide, chlorine is more toxic to vegetation. True. सिर्फ ये नहीं है. Got this? So it is ACD, most appropriate. Fluorine, arsenic, strontium are the three pollutants. So itna zyada nahi hai. Out of all the four, A, C and D are the one which is more appropriate. Okay, come on. 2 marks question. 2 marks question. This is sort of MSQ or MCQ. This is a sort of MCQ or MSQ. Guys, check it out. Calculate, you will know whether it is MCQ or MSQ. Fastly. Faster, faster, faster. एक चीज which maximum students will make mistake is, remember, rainfall intensity is given in mm per hour and the time between two is 2 hours. I bet अभी मैं नहीं भी बताऊंगी, maximum students will make mistake. Now just check it out. You will be the one who will be making mistake, I'm damn sure. Just check it out. First tell me the total precipitation. Total precipitation. I want the answer. अभी दूध का दूध पानी का पानी आ जाएगा. Come on guys, I want the precipitation. Total precipitation, give me that. Total precipitation. Faster. Swapnil, ND, Krishna, everybody, I want the answer. Sachin, tell me total. मुझे answer नहीं चाहिए. I want total precipitation. Tell me the total precipitation. Total precipitation. Is it 38.5? Yes or no? I want the answer, otherwise I won't proceed. Faster, faster. We have many questions left. Faster. Galat. I asked total. I haven't asked you the intensity. You guys are telling me 38.5 mm per hour. I'm asking total precipitation. Guys, duration is 2 hours. Multiply by 2 hours. 77 mm. This is the total precipitation. Correct, Sachin. Correct, Krishna. Correct. So this will be the total precipitation. Now we will calculate W index. Whenever this question comes, एक बारी दिमाग की बत्ती जलाना. Check it out. कहीं पर कोने में, nowhere in the corner, initial loss is given. Because if it is given, you have to subtract it. So W index is equal to P minus R by T. Precipitation is 77 mm. Runoff is 21.5 and the duration is 16 hours. So how much is the W index coming mm per hour? How much it is coming? Is it coming 3.468? So you can round it out to be 3.47 mm per hour. देखो अब अगर if I'll tell you one thing, if you will take 3.47 as 5, 3.5 if you take it, okay, then your phi index will change. But भाई हमको risk नहीं लेना है. If it is 3.47, we will take it as 3.47. So first W index is ये correct. Okay. Now let us calculate phi index. Phi index, infiltration which produces runoff. ये क्या जादू हो गया भाई? Phi index. Phi index, precipitation which produces runoff, PE minus R by TE. So out of 77, guys, what you will subtract? 3.47 mm per hour. कौन इससे छोटा है? 2.4 छोटा है, 2.6 छोटा है, क्योंकि 3.47 और 3.5 के बीच में थोड़ा तो डिफरेंस है भाई. ओके, so what you will do is, यहाँ पर मैं ऐसे कर देती हूँ उसको, 38.5 minus 2.4 minus 2.6 mm per hour में into 2. Runoff is 21.5. कितने आवर्स को सब्सट्रैक्ट किया? 16 में से 2 4. 16 minus 4 will become 12. सही है? Is it correct? यार ये अपने आप क्या हो रहा है यार? जादू हो रहा है क्या? ये क्वेश्चन अपने आप ही बढ़ रहे हैं. बताओ. How much it is coming? Is it correct? Phi index is coming out to be how much? 3.79. That's correct. So 3.79 will be the answer. Okay? तो ये वो MSQ था जो आपका क्वेश्चंस वाला था. क्लियर मैम, फाई निकालना ही क्यों, फाई इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू इंडेक्स, फाई निकालना ही क्यों, फाई इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू, या दैट्स आल्सो करेक्ट। एक्चुअली इसमें ना ये ऑप्शन 3.85 था, इसलिए मैंने निकाला था, ये 3.85 था इसलिए निकाला था ऋषभ, यहाँ पे 2 लिखा गया, ये 3.85 था, अदरवाइज व्हाट इज योर कंसेप्ट दैट्स करेक्ट, बट दिस वाज 3.85, अदरवाइज इट वाज करेक्ट। चलो MSQ क्वेश्चन गाइस, infiltration capacity of an area depends on which of the following factors? Come on, jab bhi MSQ comes, I want the answer from you. If it is a numerical question, I'll be doing it, but what about this? You have to tell me. Come on guys. Infiltration capacity of an area depends on which of the following factors? Fastly, बाकी करना है कि नहीं करना है, कि बस मेरे ही करके फिर जा रहे हो? No ना, so tell me fast. क्यों वेजिटेटिव कवर पे डिपेंड नहीं करता भाई? इफ वेजिटेशन एंड ऑल आर देयर, विल इट नॉट अफेक्ट द इन्फिल्ट्रेशन? विश्वजीत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सॉइल करेक्ट, permeable, impermeable, temperature correct, vegetative cover if forest lands and all are there, soil temperature correct, everything all are correct. ठीक है, चलो with this we completed environment, hydrology. Now irrigation, one question from irrigation, 2 marks, very simple. A canal was designed to supply the irrigation needs of 1000 hectares. अभी स्टील भी है, उसमें भी मैंने MSQ रखा है क्या, देखते हैं. 1000 hectares of land growing rice, and base period is given to you as 140 days and delta is given to you as 130 centimeter. Now ये वाला canal is used to irrigate wheat. This was rice. Irrigate wheat. Base period is how much? 119 days and delta is how much? 50 centimeter. So how much area will be irrigated? तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, इससे डिस्चार्ज निकाल के यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, कैलकुलेट डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम राइस वन एंड सब्स्टिट्यूट इट हियर. Temperature of water, yes, temperature of water also affects the infiltration. Now you tell me, otherwise evening में मैं बताऊंगी, comment section में you tell me how temperature of water affects. Well, evening I am also coming na at 7 p.m. guys, watch it. Tell me how you'll solve this very simple question guys. Discharge is same. You know duty is equal to A by Q. In this question, area I know, discharge I want to calculate. So before that I need to know the duty. 8.64 for rice I am talking about. 8.64 B by D. तो अब तो डेल्टा लिखूंगी 1.3. Area you know 1000 hectares. Discharge you will get it in Q max. How much you will be getting the discharge? ये तो कर दो भाई, बहुत सिंपल सस्ता क्वेश्चन है. Check it out. Is this the discharge coming? मैं गलत भी लिख लूंगी, फिर मैं बोलना मत मुझे. Is this the discharge coming? Discharge is same. Discharge is same. You have to calculate area. इसमें भी वही लगा दो फिर. Duty is equal to area by Q. But here discharge is same 1.07. Area you have to calculate. Okay, duty will be again 8.64. B is how many days? 119. And delta will be 0.5. How much is the area coming guys? Same season crop होते तो फिर ये valid नहीं होता, then it won't be valid. Then in that question it would have been given the data in such a way that it would have asked the discharge. So we would have added both the discharges. Rishabh, if same season crops would have been come na, so they would have given 3 crops. Okay, like rice, wheat, sugarcane. So एक rice plus sugarcane, wheat plus sugarcane, which will be coming, you will be designing it for that. Or if two same season crop is coming, so in that question would not have been this. In that they would have asked the total discharge. So you would have added both of the discharge. Clear? If you are getting 3.85 Shiva, it is because you have rounded off 3.47 as 3.5. तो आपने क्या किया, जो 5 इंडेक्स वाला आप बोल रहे हो, इन दैट यू वुड हैव सब्सट्रैक्टेड -3.5 ऑल्सो, बट 3.47 को आप 3.5 नहीं ले सकते ना, वो तो आपने अपनी सहूलियत के लिए राउंड ऑफ कर दिया. That's why I have not taken it. I haven't rounded off it out. Clear? How much is the area coming? You would have done -3.5 also. Tell me yes or no. मैंने राउंड ऑफ नहीं किया भाई, टू बी फ्रैंक. 2210 आ रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना, नेग्लेक्ट किया ना, यही तो मैंने नहीं किया ना. यू कंसिडर 3.47 एज 3.5, तो यू सब्सट्रैक्टेड 3.5 फ्रॉम हियर, बट भाई 3.47 और 3.5 इक्वल नहीं होता है. अगर आपके गेट में मार्क्स आएंगे 60.05, 60.5 आ गए और किसी के 60.7 आ गए, you both guys will be not getting the same rank, that's damn sure. Similarly here 3.47 को 3.5 क्यों राउंड ऑफ कर दिया? नहीं कर सकते ना, मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं कर सकते. यू गाइस टेल मी, बताओ ऋषभ, सचिन, नेग्लेक्ट करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए? मुझे तो नहीं लगता, बिकॉज इट इज, क्योंकि ऑप्शन में दोनों थे 3.79 3.85, तो मुझे तो नहीं लगता, बिकॉज इफ इट इज द क्वेश्चन, इट इज आस्किंग फॉर एक्यूरेसी एंड प्रिसीजन. बताओ, बाकी लोग बताओ, शैल बी नेग्लेक्टेड और शैल बी नॉट? मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं करना चाहिए. मतलब आपको नेग्लेक्ट नहीं करना है, आपको नेग्लेक्ट मत करो. 3.47 और 3.5 बोलने के लिए अप्रोक्सीमेट बोलते हो, बट दिस इज नॉट एन एनईटी क्वेश्चन, इसलिए मैंने तो नहीं किया. अब गेट वाले क्या करते पता नहीं, बट क्योंकि उन्होंने दो ऑप्शन मैंने यहाँ पे रखे थे और 3.79 था, दैट मीन्स दे आर नॉट नेग्लेक्टिंग इट. देखा, अनुपम आंसर से. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया? किसने पूछा था? शिवा, क्लियर? फाइव इंडेक्स 3.79 ग्रेटर देन 3.5, तो उससे क्या, तो उससे क्या हुआ? 5 इंडेक्स 3.7 ग्रेटर देन 3.5, हाँ ठीक है, मैं समझ गई. वो मैं समझ गई शिवा, बट वो तो हमें पता ही है ना कि 3.47 से तो ज्यादा ही आएगा, तो 3.79 भी आएगा, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 3.5. 3.85 भी आएगा, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 3.5. मुझे ये बता दो, मतलब अगर दोनों में ही आ रहा है तो उससे लॉजिक क्या निकल रहा है? टेल मी. अच्छा, यू आर सेइंग कि फिर वो रन ऑफ वाला प्रोडक्ट बोल रहे हो? चलो उसको देख लेंगे. ओके, दिस इज एन एमएसक्यू. खुद हो गया ना मेरा? हाँ, चलो. दिस क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग एमएसक्यू, फास्ट. मुझे ना, हाँ पहले इस क्वेश्चन को कर लो, फिर मैं उस क्वेश्चन पे जाऊंगी एक बारी. कम ऑन, एमएसक्यू क्वेश्चन गाइस, फास्टर फास्टर. That I need to, we in neglect to intensity less than 5 index. That's correct कि intensity neglect करना है, but the problem is दोनों पास पास हो गए, या तो फिर उसके ऑप्शंस को चेंज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जो तुम बोल रहे हो वो भी सही है. शिवा, what you are saying, that is also correct. Open channel flow A and C, A and B. Danesh is saying open channel is the flow under gravity. Correct, absolutely correct. Uniform flow is a flow in which depth and velocity are constant at particular location and it won't change with time. False. Time के साथ, that is steady flow condition. So it is false. Steady non-uniform flow is not possible. Why it is not possible? Possible है. Possible है. Why? Gradually varied flow profile. Varied flow मतलब non-uniform. In that we study steady case. Rapidly varied flow. Hydraulic jump. That is non-uniform steady flow. So that is also possible. Unsteady uniform flow is not possible. So A and D. Correct? ये C क्यों बोल रहे हैं सर? स्टडी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो तो पॉसिबल है भाई, ग्रेजुअली वेरिड फ्लो, रैपिडली वेरिड फ्लो। ऋषभ गलती कैसे हो गई भाई? Nobody told the right answer, my God. कैसे कैसे वेरिड फ्लो पढ़ा है? ग्रेजुअली वेरिड फ्लो, रैपिडली वेरिड फ्लो, GVF, RVF, स्पेशली वेरिड भी पढ़ा है। इन दैट यू हैव अ बाइफर्केशन, स्टडी, अनस्टडी। और बता दूं, रैपिडली वेरिड फ्लो दिस स्टडी अनस्टडी लिख दो पहले। रैपिडली वेरिड फ्लो स्टडी एग्जांपल इज हाइड्रोलिक जंप, रैपिडली वेरिड फ्लो अनस्टडी एग्जांपल इज सर्जेस। कैसे गलती हो गई? अनस्टेडी यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो इज नॉट पॉसिबल, जो कि सही बात है, इसलिए वो करेक्ट है। स्टडी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ये तो गलत बात है पॉसिबल, इसलिए ये इनकरेक्ट है। डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट ना, अनस्टेडी यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो, अनस्टेडी मी यूनिफॉर्म फ्लो पॉसिबल है कि नहीं है? नहीं है पॉसिबल, इसीलिए तो लिखा है नहीं है पॉसिबल, इसीलिए तो सही है, इसीलिए तो सही है। नहीं है पॉसिबल इसीलिए सही है, होता तो गलत होता ना। ठीक। अरे हाँ, और एक क्वेश्चन, रुको यार, ये मेरा ना दिमाग में बार बार चढ़ रहा है। ये 3.5 वाला है, इसमें ना या तो उसको 3.5 लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो डेटा मिस्टेक्स आ रही है। ये क्वेश्चन फिर तो सबको मार्क्स फॉर ऑल मिल जाएगा। अगर या देखो, वो बात तो वो सही बोल रहा है कि अगर हमने हमारा आंसर फाइव इंडेक्स का अगर 3.79 भी आ रहा है या 3.85 भी आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स 3.5 को नेग्लेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। बट ये डेटा के हिसाब से सही नहीं है, रीजन मैं बता रही हूँ। अगर इफ इन द ऑप्शन इट इज टेलिंग 3.47 mm आवर इज द राइट आंसर, ठीक है, फिर तो इसी को लेके चलना पड़ेगा। फिर तो ये गलत बात हो गई भाई, दैट फाइव इंडेक्स 3.47 mm सही हो गया, बट फिर राउंड ऑफ करके फाइव इंडेक्स 3.85 mm पर आवर सही हो गया, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा। तो अगर इसको सही मान रहे, लाइक कौन बोला था मुझे, शिवा, तो अगर इसको सही मान रहे तो 3.47 mm पर आवर लेके कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ेगी, उसके हिसाब से 3.79 आंसर होगा, पर वो गलत हो जाएगा। तो या तो इसको 3.5 mm पर आवर करो, तब कैलकुलेशन सही बैठेगी, ठीक है। अदरवाइज इधर आधा अजम्पशन करोगे, इधर गलत हो जाएगा। तो एक काम करो, इस डेटा को भी मैं चेंज कर रही हूँ, इसमें थोड़े से डेटा में एम्बिग्विटी है, ठीक है। सो ये 3.5 इसको लेके चलो, ठीक है। तो फिर फाइंड एक्स में आप क्या करोगे, -3.5 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करोगे, 16 -2, और ये भी फिर -2 हो जाएगा। अब सही है, अब सही है शिवा, बाकी लोग, क्योंकि 3 यार ये अपने आप क्या हो जा रहा है यार भाई, क्लियर? क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना, 3.47 आंसर सही मान रहे, अज्यूमिंग इट टू बी करेक्ट, फिर उसको राउंड ऑफ करके फाइंड एक्स का आंसर सही ला रहे हैं, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। मींस यू आर ट्राइंग टू सैटिस्फाई बोथ द ऑप्शंस। क्लियर? एक बारी चेक कर लो भाई, कहाँ है मेरा कैलकुलेटर, एक बारी चेक कर लो अब आ रहा है कि नहीं। 38.5 -2.4 -2.6 -3.5 इंटू 2, 3.85, करेक्ट। अब आ रहा है, अब आ रहा है, ठीक है। ये क्वेश्चन में थोड़ी मिस्टेक थी, ऑप्शंस में मिस्टेक थी, इसको 3.5 कर लो, ये मिस्टेक थी, इसको मैं एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ। तो इसको आप या तो इसको 3.5 करो, ठीक है, क्योंकि आप लॉजिक समझ रहे हो मेरा। अगर आप 3.47 इफ यू आर अज्यूमिंग इट टू बी करेक्ट इन द ऑप्शंस, देन डैम श्योर यू विल बी टेकिंग 3.47 इन कैलकुलेटिंग फाइंड एक्स, बट फिर वो सही नहीं आएगा। क्लियर? सो इसीलिए ये है, तो ये फाइंड एक्स सही आ जाएगा। तो ऑप्शंस ये लोग ने दोनों के हिसाब से सही बना दिया, इधर से उधर से, वो की गलत है। 35 36, ये मजेदार क्वेश्चन। मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स आई बेट तुम लोगों ने याद ही नहीं किया होगा ये फॉर्मूला जो मैंने बताने वाला है, याद ही नहीं किया होगा, यू हैवंट मेमोराइज्ड इट। Once upon a time I get in 2000 something the question was asked regarding it, उसके बाद से never ever they have asked this question. Come on guys, पढ़ा भी नहीं होगा मुझे लग रहा है। Unsteady uniform flow condition guys, मुझे पता है, बताओ तो किसी को याद भी है? del q by ये ऐसे भी पढ़ा होगा, del Q by del X प्लस A मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स भूल गए होंगे. अगर if spatially varied flow condition have been there for unsteady, remember it, very very important guys, unsteady spatially varied flow condition would have been there in place of 0 plus minus q will be there, plus for addition minus for subtraction. But here in the measurement, in nowhere in the question it is written that spatially varied flow is there. Solve करो, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है, मैंने नहीं करना, तुम्हें को सॉल्व करना है. And it is asking the discharge at a section 1.2 kilometers upstream. That means it is asking you Q1. How will you do it? Del Q, Q2 minus Q1 by dx. इसको मैं उधर ले जाऊं या भी नहीं लूं, चलो इधर ही प्लस ही में रहने देती हूँ. T dy dt is equal to 0. Anybody got the answer? ऑप्शन अभी तक मुझे किसी का आंसर नहीं आया है, क्यों नहीं आया, दुख की बात है. Q1 how can I write it as? इसको लिख दूं Q2, ये उधर चला गया, प्लस T dy by dt dx. I can do like this. कर सकते हैं. अब सब तो दिया है क्वेश्चन में. Q2 discharge at the section is 15 मीटर क्यूब पर आवर, मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. सरफेस विड्थ मतलब टॉप विड्थ दे रखा है कितना, 15 मीटर. एंड dy by dt 0.5 मीटर पर आवर, 0.5 मीटर पर आवर. और आपसे कब पूछा है, 1.2 किलोमीटर डाउन स्ट्रीम्स. बस what you have to do, किलोमीटर कन्वर्टेड इनटू मीटर 10 raised to power 3, आवर को कन्वर्ट करना है सेकेंड्स में 3600. मैंने बोला यूनिट्स का साथ मत छोड़ो, वो आपका साथ नहीं छोड़ेगी. कम ऑन गाइस, हाउ मच इट इज कमिंग, टेल मी फास्ट. आप कैलकुलेशन तो कर सकते हो. After me, Krishna sir will be coming. कितना आ आंसर, 17.5. ओके 17.5 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. राउंड ऑफ टू 1 डेसिमल प्लेस भी था ये, ठीक है. 17.5 करेक्ट. 3 more questions, come on. But भूल नहीं सकते भाई. The probability of occurrence, come on guys, I want the answer from everybody. The probability of occurrence follows. विश्वजीत. What about others? बीटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को. अब सब बोल रहे तो मैं मना कैसे कर सकती हूँ, बीटा ही होगा. कम ऑन. अब मैंने स्टील में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस रखे हैं जो तुमने बन जाने हैं. ये 1 मार्क्स का है. Which of the following is the effect of increased content of sulfur and phosphorus in steel? फटाफट. 38 का A, 38 का भी ऐसे लिख दो because first that question was also fastly. Okay, how much? इवेंट के लिए पूछा है द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ऑकरेंस. उसके लिए तो पार्टी करते हैं ना ऋषभ, बीटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ही फॉलो करते हैं ना. हाँ वो उसको मेंशन करना चाहिए था, दैट आई एग्री. बट अगर सिर्फ ऐसे लिखा तो मान के चल रहा है, ठीक है. ओके. Which of the following is the effect of increased content of sulfur and phosphorus in steel? B. Okay. So it affects weldability. करेक्ट। चलो ये 2 मार्क्स का है, क्योंकि मैंने को बताना है, ये भूल गए होगे शायद इसको। वही मैं बोल रही हूँ ऋषभ, नहीं ये मेंशन, वो मेंशन करना चाहिए था। बी बोल रहे हो? बीए की डी है, बीए की डी है, बीए की डी है। दानेश एंड प्रभुआ सिंह, जो तुम बोलोगे वो आंसर। चलो, what you say will be the answer. Come on guys. Lower plastic limit load is obtained when? Come on, faster, faster, faster. यार बाकी लोग बताओ, इक्विलिब्रियम मैकेनिज्म और प्लास्टिसिटी कंडीशन होगा क्या? डी होगा क्या? यार इतने सारे लोग हैं, एवरीबॉडी इज टेलिंग द रॉन्ग आंसर। व्हाट इज दिस? मेरे ख्याल से ये होगा। देखो यार, मैं स्टील लेती नहीं हूँ, तुम लोग से पूछ रही हो, तुम लोग ऐसे भाव खा रहे हो, ये कैसा है? इक्विलिब्रियम मैकेनिज्म एंड प्लास्टिसिटी कंडीशन होगा क्या? इक्विलिब्रियम, डी होगा। चलो, अब ऋषभ ने बोल दिया, मतलब मैं डी मान रही। ओके फाइन, सो दैट्स ऑल गाइस, दैट्स ऑल। लेट मी टेल यू, सेट अ रिमाइंडर। देखो तुम लोग नहीं होंगे फिर मेरे को मत बोला कि मैम कराती नहीं है। मैंने लेक्चर को ही प्राइवेट कर देना है, ठीक है? तुम लोग मेरे साथ, ये लेक्चर को ही प्राइवेट, अब इसमें लिखाएगा भी नहीं। ये सेशन होगा आज, आज होगा ये शाम को 7 PM पर। लिंक ऑलरेडी देयर, यू कैन डू व्हाट, सेट अ रिमाइंडर। ओके चलो, so that's all guys. मैम व्हाट इज लोएस्ट? ठीक है चलो, अब आफ्टर मी कृष्णा सर विल बी ज्वाइनिंग गाइस, सो टिल देन नाउ स्टे ट्यून, जाना नहीं है, पूरा मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करना है। सो नाउ ओवर टू कृष्णा सर।
Hello dear students, how are you all? And my audio and video is perfect or not? Please let me know guys. Then we have questions of engineering mechanics, building material, RCC and structure part. So you know that guys, engineering mechanics and the building material portion is very less weightage in the gate examination usually. But still we have some question like a 2-mark problem for the engineering mechanics and one question for the building material. Then we have set a 5 mark weightage of RCC and structure part, right? So don't go anywhere, kindly be here in the session and let's enjoy the question number 40. Okay, let's solve this. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, जो भी आपको कहना है जी, सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, जय भारत। चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 से। ओके, लेट्स डू इट गाइस, बिकॉज आई नो दैट योर टाइम इज वेरी प्रीशियस, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग द सेशन without anything, right? Let's do this particular problem. What is given to us? The inclination theta is how much? This is the question which is related to the friction force, right? We need to find out what should be this particular angle theta, right? With the ground, for the ladder to be in impending motion, then the weight of ladder is 15 Newton and consider the coefficient of friction is 0.2 and 0.3 for wall and the floor respectively. यार हमें यहाँ पे दो चीज दे रखी है, that friction coefficient is available at the wall also and at the floor also. So let's draw the free body diagram first, then we will solve the problem. I hope this particular pan is visible to all of you, or either I will change the color. Now I think it is clear. Let us consider this point is A, this point is B. Okay, do it and let me know the answer also. ठीक है? Hi Murli Krishna, hi Manoj, and we will have a normal reaction Na like this, then we have a normal reaction Nb which should be like this. Okay, and then now tell me guys, if this particular ladder is an impending condition, so what will happen? The friction force should be applied at both the edges, right? Because we have certain friction coefficient over there. So in this way your ladder is trying to slide, correct? So what will happen? We need to apply the friction force opposite the direction of motion of the ladder, right? So this will be our friction force. We can write here FRA, and this one is another force which is FRB. Let us suppose this is our height and this is our base, and let us consider this is theta. How much it is? It is 5 meter, which is already given to us. So can we calculate this? This is basically 5 sine theta, and this one is 5 cos theta. Okay, let's solve the problem. So first I will write summation fx is equal to 0. That means FRA minus NB is equal to 0. What is the value of FRA? It is an impinging condition. We need to use the limiting static friction force. Okay, so this value will be mu times of NA minus NB. Now what is the value of mu at the floor? It is already given, I think. It is basically 0.3. So for the floor it is 0.3 NA is equal to NB. This is one of the relation which we are getting right now. Okay, let's write the another relation which is basically summation Fy is equal to 0. So we can write here Na minus self-weight is also applicable, right, whose value is 15 Newton. So minus 15, then plus FRB is equal to 0. So Na minus 15 plus this value is how much? Coefficient of friction is 0.2. So we need to write 0.2 NB, and it should be equal to 0. Now you can replace the value of Na or NB in the second equation, right? You can do it. So let's solve this particular one, guys. So NB is equal to this one. So we'll write here Na minus 15 plus 0.2 into 0.3 Na, and it should be equal to 0. Kindly solve this relation to get the value of Na, and how much you are getting, please let me know, guys, quickly in the chat box. How much you are getting? Tell me, guys, how much you are getting for Na. And I'm writing the value directly because I have already solved the question. So it is coming around 14 point something. Kindly check it whether you are getting this value or not. 14.15 Newton as a Na. Very nice, Devanshu Yadav. Na is equal to this one. Very nice, Krishna. So Na is equal to this one, right? Now what about NB? NB is equal to how much? NB is equal to how much? NB is equal to 0.3 times of Na. So 0.3 times of Na. Kindly put it, you will get NB also. How much it is? It is coming around 4.245 Newton, right? After getting the value of Na and NB, guys, it is very easy to solve the value of theta. What you have to do, you need to just take the moment at A is equal to 0. You will get the answer, right? So let's take it. Summation moment at A is equal to 0. Then you will get the correct answer. So what we have to write? We know that these two forces will not give any kind of movement about point A, right? Because they are congruent at this particular point. But if we talk about NB and FRB and this weight, it will give us the movement about A. So we have to take it. So let's write it down. 15 into this 15 and this particular distance, which is basically 2.5 cos theta, and it should be clockwise movement, right? So let's write it down. 2.5 cos theta, and it is positive, which we are taking, minus NB into 5 sin theta, right? Then FRB into 5 cos theta minus FRB multiplied by 5 cos theta, and it should be equal to 0. So guys, we have to put the values over here to get the result. We know already what is the value of NB, 4.245 multiplied by 5 sin theta. What is the value of FRB? FRB is equal to how much? So FRB can be written as 0.2 times of NB, okay? 0.2 times of NB, and NB is equal to how much? It is again 4.245, right? Multiplied by 5 cos theta is equal to 0, correct? So let's solve the question, guys, to get the value of theta. How much it is? This value is coming around 37.5 cos theta, and this value is minus 0.2 into 4.245 multiplied by 5. So this value is coming around, let me erase it, the total value which we are getting. (15 into 2.5 minus 0.2 into 4.245 multiplied by 5). So this value we are getting as 33.255 cos theta, and it should be equal to 4.245 multiplied by 5. This value is coming around 21.225 sin theta. Now you can write here, guys, tan theta is equal to how much? It is 33. Sir, NA 14.94 आ रहा है. Let me 14.94. Are you sure? It is coming around 14.15. Kindly check it, Swapnil. Kindly check it. We are getting 14.15. Kindly check it. Okay. All of you are getting 14.94. Please check it once. Kindly see this particular value, 1 plus 0.2 multiplied by 0.3, that is 1.06, correct? 15 divided by 1.06, it is coming around 14.15, yeah. If you are dividing it by 1.6, then I don't know, I think it is 1.06, correct? 15 divided by 1.06, how much you are getting? 14.15, correct? 14.15 is the correct answer, okay? So 33.25 divided by 21.225, let's take the tan inverse of it, you will get the answer. So 33.25 divided by 21.225, and let's take tan inverse of it, we will get the correct answer, and the angle which is we are getting over here 57.44 degree, and that is the correct answer. And this is the NAT type question, numerical answer type question. Guys, you have to solve such type of question in the examination also. And please remember this, right? That's why don't get any type of confusion in the calculation. Please do each and every calculation sincerely and write down each and every step in the calculation part, right? So that it will be much better कि हम भूले ना कोई value, right? So that we will not forget any kind of value which we have calculated earlier also. Okay, so please write down, and if you find any kind of mistake in the calculation, so that you can cross verify it whether you have written the wrong equation or it is correct one. Okay, that's why. Okay, next question, guys, this is related to the building material, but it is a, you can say that a very easy one, right? Which of the following are advantage of precast unit? It is 1 mark problem. Tell me, guys, quickly. Very simple question. Please write down, all of you, what should be the answer for this particular question. Very nice, Devanshu. Which of the following are the advantage of a precast unit? PQR. Okay, Mukul, PQR. You have the option like A option, B option, C option, you can see here, and D option. Krishna, D, SQP. Okay. Rishabh Pant, C. Very nice, superb, guys, superb. Mukul, this is not post-tension member, and even it is not a pre-tension member, right? This is basically precast unit. What is precast? Whatever component or element you want to put in your structure, you have already casted it earlier, and then you are trying to transport it to one place to another place, and then you have to install it on the site, right? So that is basically precast. Now, no doubt it is very easy to install it, but it is not easy to transport because of their size. Are you able to understand? Let us suppose if you have a beam, right, like this, and this is a precast beam. Just imagine if you want to transport it from one location to another location, like 10 kilometer, 15 kilometer, it is very difficult. You know that. Yes or no? The transportation cannot be easy if you are transferring any kind of precast unit from one location to another location. That's why Q is the wrong one. If Q is wrong, then we have three options in which this particular option is considered. So this one is wrong, this one is wrong, this one is wrong. So only C is the correct answer. Yes, it is fire redundant, okay, lightweight and compact and construction friendly. No doubt the weight can be higher or the weight can be lighter also, but you know that guys, the size of the member will be a larger one, right, or at a smaller one also, but there is a chances to some destruction will be there or some damage will be there to the precast member while transporting it, right? Are you getting my point? That's why it is not easy to transport. Getting my point or not? That's why guys, C is the correct answer for the problem. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next question is related to the RCC part and very easy question guys, and this is the MCQ type question, 1 mark problem. Now we are dealing with the RCC portion. Okay, let's see 3 questions of this particular subject. What is given to us? A simply supported beam is having 50 kilonewton meter as a factored bending moment, right? The dimension of the beam is width is equal to 250 mm and the effective depth is equal to 317. The grade of concrete is M20 and grade of steel is Fe415. You just need to tell me, as per the limit state method, the area of compression reinforcement required, right? The area of compression reinforcement required. Tell me guys, what will be the answer? Tell me. You know that guys, the condition when we have to put the compression reinforcement when our factored bending moment is greater than MR of limiting section for singly reinforced beam. Yes or no? This is the condition. Now, we need to check whether the compression reinforcement required first or not in the beam, right? Then accordingly, we will judge our answer. Clear? Okay. So mu is equal to how much? Mu is equal to 50, which is already given to us. So let's calculate the MR limiting of singly reinforced beam. And the formula is QBD square. Now what is the value of Q? Q is equal to how much? It is 0.36 FCK K into J. Let's put all the value. 0.36 FCK is how much? 20. K is equal to how much? Now for Fe415, the value of K is how much? It is 0.48. The value of J is 0.8. Kindly calculate the moment coefficient. How much you are getting guys? What is the value of moment coefficient? How much you are getting? Please write down in the chat box. 2.7 something. .7648. That is basically Q. So let's calculate MR limiting. Q is 2.7648. QB. B is equal to how much? B is equal to 250. D is equal to how much? 317 square multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. Tell me guys how much you are getting? 69.45 kilonewton meter. That means the moment of resistance of a singly reinforced beam for a limiting section is greater than the applied moment. Yes or no? If it is so, then tell me which one is the correct answer for the problem. Tell me guys, quickly. Tell me. So मैंने 0.1, yes, it is, there is no problem Swapnil, you can use the formula, the same formula is there, right? There is no problem. Just we have written in the general one and you have written the value in terms of some calculative like 0.36 multiplied by FCK. You have done that particular calculation, and according to that you will get the answer, right? No problem. Okay, right, same answer. So tell me guys, which one is the correct answer? A, B, C, D. In this case, no compression reinforcement is required. If no compression reinforcement is required, so you know that guys, at least 2 bars you have to provide in case of singly reinforced beam, so that we can use it as an anchor bar, and ultimately our shear reinforcement can, or you can say that basically these 2 bar are a holding bar, so that we can hold down our shear reinforcement on it, right? That is the purpose for the 2 bars which we have to provide. That's why guys, D is the correct answer for this particular problem. Now let's move to the next question, which is basically MCQ type question, 2 mark problem guys, again from the RCC. Now this question related to the WSM as well as LSM part, right? Now in this particular case, what you need to do, you need to find out the ratio of MU limiting by LSM method and MU balance by WSM method. So do you remember the formula to calculate the MU limiting by LSM method is QBD square, right? What is the value of Q? It is 0.36 FCK K into J into B into D square, correct? But if we calculate the MU balance as per the WSM method, then what will be the answer? What will be the formula? The formula क्या होगा? Again, you can use QBD square, but the value of Q will get changed. It will be half CJK into B into D square, correct? Now guys, just take the ratio of it, you will get the answer. But you know that guys, in this case, the dimension of the beam is not required because both the dimension will get cancelled if you take the ratio of it. Clear? So let's do it guys on the next page. So the ratio which we want to calculate is 0.36 FCK K into J B into D square divided by half CJK B into D square. You can cancel these 2 values, but don't cancel J and K, right? Because J and K value are different in LSM and it is different in WSM, right? That's why. So you know that guys, what is this value exactly? Because we have already calculated it. What is the value of Q as per the LSM method earlier also? Because in this case already they have written M20 you have to use and FE415. आपको M20 और FE415 use करना है. Okay. Now tell me guys, for FE415 and M20, what is the value of Q? 2.7648. The same value we can use which we have calculated in the previous question. Okay. So 2.7648. Now what is the value of C in case of WSM method? It is nothing as sigma CBC. So for M20 sigma CBC is 7 Newton per mm square. What is the value of K? To find out the value of K, you need to calculate the value of modular ratio. So M is equal to how much? M is equal to how much? It is 280 by 3 sigma CBC. Please calculate this. I think it is coming around 13.33, correct? Okay. So M is equal to 13.33. Now let's calculate the value of K and J. So K is equal to how much? 13.33 multiplied by C. C is nothing as 7 divided by 13.33 multiplied by 7 multiplied by plus T. So T is equal to how much? It is nothing as sigma ST. For FE415 it should be 230. So 230. Okay, kindly solve this. How much you are getting? Please tell me guys. 13.33 multiplied by 7 guys, we are getting a value of 0.288 as a K. So let's write it down, 0.288 K. Then what is the value of J? J is equal to 1 minus K by 3. Please put K value over here. So it is coming around 0.903. So let's write here 0.903. Solve this one. How much ratio you are getting? Please tell me the correct answer. So this value is coming around 3.03, 3.03. 3.03. Are you getting it or not? 3.03. Kindly check it, guys, and let me know the answer, whether you are getting it or not. Now tell me which is the correct option. Which is the correct option? A, B, C, D. Very nice, very nice. So A is the correct answer for the problem. A is the correct answer for the problem. Very nice, Krishna. Very nice, Swapnil. Good, 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 guys. Very nice, Imtiaz. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Now this question is related to the pre-stress condition. Okay, let's read the question, guys. Very important one. Again, this is MCQ type question, 2-mark problem. A rectangular concrete beam whose width is 250 and depth is 600, and it is pre-stressed by means of 4 10 mm dia high tensile bars located at 200 mm from the soffit of the beam. That means from the bottom of the beam. If the effective pre-stress in the wire is 500 Newton per mm square, what is the maximum bending moment that can be applied to the section without causing tension at the soffit of the beam? Soffit means the bottom fiber of the beam, right? So let's draw the figure first, then we'll calculate the values. So this is our cross section of a beam. Let us consider at this particular location our cables are present. And what is this distance? It is 200 mm, which is given from the bottom or soffit, correct? At this location, you have to apply the pre-stressing force. Now guys, we need to calculate the eccentricity also, right? Let's calculate it. B is equal to how much? It is 250 mm. D is equal to how much? D is 600 mm. It is given in the question. Let's read it once again. 250 and 600. There are 4 bars, okay, which we have to put, that we will calculate later on. E is equal to how much right now? If it is 600, then this distance will be equal to how much? 300. 300 minus 200, it is equal to how much? 100 mm. That means eccentricity is 100. Now tell me guys, what are the various type of stresses which is applied by the pre-stressing force? One is direct compression, which is plus P by A. Second is bending compression and bending tension, right? So at the top fiber we will have tension and at the bottom fiber we will have compression. Like this. This value is negative, this value is positive, and how much it is? PEY by I, right? Now you know that guys, if you apply certain load on the beam, then what will happen? Tension will be coming at the bottom and compression will be coming at the top. That means due to external load, the stress diagram will change like this and will become positive and this value will become negative and you can write MY by I. Clear? Now guys, let's add all the stresses which is present at the bottom. P by A plus PEY by I minus MY by I. Now you need to put the value to get the answer, right? So what is the value of P? Let's calculate it. P is equal to how much? Pre-stressing force is equal to how much? Stress multiplied by area. So what is the permissible stress? 500. Let's see once again. 500. And 4 bars are there whose dia is 10 mm. Okay. So 4 into pi by 4 into 10 square. How much you are getting? 157,079.63 Newton. Kindly check this calculation. You will get the same answer, right? And let's put other values so that we will get the value of moment, how much moment are required. Okay. Good afternoon, Ashish. Solve these questions quickly, guys. 157,079.63 divided by area of cross section 250 cross 600, then plus P is equal to how much? 157,079.63 multiply by, now the eccentricity value is how much? 100. Y is equal to how much? 300. Now divided by I is BD cube by 12. That means 250 multiply by 600 cube divided by 12 minus M into Y is 300 again, and I is equal to how much? I is BD cube by 12. 250 cross 600 cube divided by 12, and it should be equal to 0. So tell me guys, what is the value of moment which you are getting? How much moment you are getting in this particular problem? Tell me. Any one of you who can give the correct answer, please write down in the chat box. This calculation will be 1.0472. I think this one is also same. Yes, this one is also same, 1.0472, and it should be equal to 12 into 300 into M divided by 250 into 600 cube, and it should be 0. Why it is equal to 0? Because the net stress at the bottom should be 0 as per the question, right? How much you are getting? M is equal to 31.5 kilonewton meter as a moment. Kindly calculate it once again, guys. You are getting the same answer, I think so. Yes, we are getting a value of 31415926, right? If you divide it by 10 raised to power 6, you will get 31.5 kilonewton meter. So which one is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Crystal clear to all of you? Crystal clear? Very nice. Now let's move to the next question, guys, which is related to the structure part. Very simple question. It is based upon the static equilibrium equation alone, right? And it is based upon a truss analysis. Now let's read the question, guys. The truss shown in the figure is supported by a hinge at A, okay, and a cable at D. I need to use a dark one. Okay. A cable is there, guys, in which some tension force is there, right, at an angle of 45 degree, right? Now calculate the tension in the cable so that it will be in equilibrium condition. Now tell me, guys, you will have two components of this particular tension. One is vertical, which should be T sine 45 degree. And second one is like this, which should be T cos 45 degree. Now what I will write here, guys, summation moment at point A is equal to 0. You will get the answer. Tell me, guys, what should be the answer for this question? Please let me know. I'm writing it. 5 multiplied by 3.5. This is 5. This is 5 multiplied by 3.5 in the anti-clockwise direction. 7.5 multiplied by 1.5 anti-clockwise direction. Then T sine 45 multiplied by 1.5, 2.5 in clockwise direction, and T cos 45 multiplied by this particular distance, this one, which is 0.5. Why it is 0.5? Total is 1. This is 0.5. So this should be 0.5. So T cos 45 multiplied by 0.5, and it is again anti-clockwise. Okay, let's write it down. So 5 into 3.5 plus, not plus, it should be minus because what we are writing. Okay, let's write it down, plus as a clockwise, and we will write anti-clockwise as a negative. Okay, that is a general habit. 7.5 multiplied by 1.5. Okay, then minus t sine 45 multiply by 2.5, then t cos 45 multiply by 0.5, and it should be 0. Solve this one and let me know the answer. So can we write a moment at g is equal to 0? You can write it, there is no problem, but what is the issue? You need to take two reaction for that. If you write moment at g is equal to 0, at this support we will have two reaction. One is this and second one is this. So with respect to g point, you need to take the moment of these two reaction also, and these two value is unknown to us, and that's why we are not able to get the answer for t in that case. Okay, Shiva? Clear? Okay guys, so which one is the correct answer? Tell me the correct answer for this. I have written the equation completely. Now tell me what is the value of t which you are getting after solving this. 13.55. 13.55. Madhav, good afternoon. 13.55. All of you are getting the same answer or not? Please tell me guys. We are on the same page or not? Tell me. क्या हम लोग एक ही पेज पे हैं? Very nice, Swapnil. Yes, B is the correct answer. 13.55 is the correct answer, which is in kilonewton. Which is in kilonewton, right? Very nice, very nice. Let's move to the next question, guys. After this, we will have the last question, and then Joshit Sir will be there for your rest of the subjects. Now, guys, question number 46, which is based upon the influence line diagram. Tell me the correct answer, and it is a tricky one, right? Tricky one, not a calculative one. It is a tricky one, right? You have to use the mind. आपको दिमाग घुमाना पड़ेगा, तभी आंसर आएगा. It is a tricky one. Mind game, right? Mind game question. It is not a calculative one, and it is 2-mark problem. Okay, and please be careful, guys. This is a MSQ, not MCQ. This is MSQ. Okay. So I think I need to hide myself so that you can read this particular portion. It is not visible, I think so. Okay, let me hide myself for a 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. Read it and tell me the correct answer for the problem. Choose the correct influence line diagram for the following beam. Okay. Now, the influence line diagram for the shear force at C is what? Shear force at C. For that, this ILD is correct or wrong? This one. Tell me guys, this ILD is correct. Choose the correct statement. Okay. Choose the correct statement for the following beam. Tell me guys. अरे बाबा एक तो आंसर दे दो, एक को तो आंसर दे दो. Yes, A is correct. Arey bacha, it is correct. The influence line diagram for shear force at C is correct. It is correct. A is correct. In this way, we are able to draw the ILD for shear force at C. This is minus, this is plus, and this is A by L, and this is B by L, right? Very nice. What about the next statement? The influence line diagram for bending over at C will be like this, right? And this ordinate will be AB by L, right? What is the value of A? 2. B value is 8. So 2 into 8 divided by 10, you will get 1.6. This is also correct. B is also correct, right? What about statement C? Statement C, guys, statement C. What about statement C? When the 20 kilonewton is at the midspan, then the ordinate of influence line diagram for the bending moment is 1. You need to find out what should be the ordinate when the loading is present exactly at the midspan, right, for the bending moment at C. So we need to find out this particular ordinate. What is the value of this one? Let's write it down like y1. So this distance is how much? This distance is already given to us 8 meter. And it is mid span, that means the total span is 10 meter, I think so, right? So this span will be 5 meter, correct? So tell me guys, when you have 8 meter distance, then the ordinate is 1.6, and if you have a 5 meter distance, then what should be the ordinate? Let us write y1. So y1 is equal to how much? 5 into 1.6 divided by 8. How much it is? 1. So this statement is also correct. It is also correct. But tell me the right next one. अगर आखिरी सही दे देना मान जाऊंगा यार. What about D? What about D? When the 20 kilonewton meter concentrated movement is applied at C, then the maximum bending moment is 32 kilonewton meter. It is correct or wrong? Option D is correct or wrong? It is wrong. It is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because this ILD is useful when we have point load or UDL like type of loading. But guys, when you have 20 kilonewton meter as a moment which is concentrated movement and it is applied at C like this, 20 kilonewton meter. Now, what should be the maximum bending moment which can be possible on the beam? Forget ILD. Directly you can say that guys, 20 kilonewton meter is the answer, right? That's why D statement is wrong. That's why D statement is wrong. Clear? D statement is wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one or the last question of the session. Let me come back. Okay, but this is not the last question of the session, right? This is the last question of my session basically. Okay, then after that Joshit Sir will be there who will take the further questions, right? And don't go anywhere guys, kahin mat jayega, theek hai? Now guys, you can see here this is basically a fixed beam. We have a load W and a moment which is basically WL, right? And it is present at a distance of X. Now what we need to do in this particular problem, you need to find out the distance X, this particular distance X, how much it is, so that movement at any one of the end A or end B should be equal to 0. Getting a point? The movement at end A or end B, either of them, it is equal to 0. So you need to check in which case it will be 0. Okay. Now guys, let me show you two conditions first. Let us suppose if you have a fixed beam, right? And this is a point load which is W, and this distance is A, this distance is B. So we know that there are two fixed end moment which is coming. One is this, second one is this. And what is this value? Minus WA B square divided by L square. And this value will be, sorry, yes, WA square B by L square, right? Now these are the values, okay? These are the values which we have to use. And the second one is basically, if we have a concentrated moment which is placed at a distance of A and at a distance of B, right? Then what is the moment over here? This is MAB and this one is MBA. So what is the value of MAB? MAB will be M, which is this one, into B into 3A minus L divided by L square, right? And MBA will be m a bracket 3b minus l divided by l square, like this. But guys, you need to check if you add both the conditions together, because such type of loading is given on the structure, then the net moment should be 0 at any of the support. Now you can see here guys, the direction of this moment and the direction of this moment is same, so it is additive. But if you have opposite direction, then these two moment will have algebraic sum is equal to 0, and that we have to consider, right? And according to that we will get the answer. So let's write it down. This value is negative. Why it is? Basically it is anti-clockwise in direction. So minus WAB square by L square, and the second one is MAB, so which we will write MB into 3A minus L divided by L square, and it should be equal to 0, right? So guys, value of W is equal to how much? It is W only. Value of A is equal to how much? A is equal to X, right? B is equal to how much? B is equal to how much? It is L minus X. L minus X square divided by L square plus. Now the moment value which is already given, which is basically W into L. So W into L, B is L minus X, 3X, A is X basically, right? Minus L divided by L square, and it should be equal to 0. Now you have to solve this, you will get the answer. You know that guys, W L minus X by L square can be taken out as a common, and the remaining equation will be minus X L minus X plus L into 3X minus L, and it should be equal to 0. Now you can put it on the right hand side, and after solving this one, you will get X is equal to L by root 2 plus 1. This is the only option which can satisfy over here, right? Getting a point or not? Getting a point or not? Yes or no? So which one is the correct answer? A, B, C, D? Tell me guys. A, B, C, D? It is A. A is the correct answer. Clear? Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. So guys, don't go anywhere. Just hold on. Okay. Then Joshit Sir will be joining, right? And I hope you have enjoyed today's session. So guys, just a second. Let me call him. Okay.
हेलो हेलो हेलो, स्वागत स्वागत। क्या हाल है भाई सबके? आ जाओ। कैसा जा रहा है टेस्ट? एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? प्लीज टेल मी, ऑडिबल विजिबल, आवाज़ आ रही है क्लियरली या नहीं? कौन कौन है ज़रा एक बार मुझे बताओ कमेंट बॉक्स में। फटाफट से स्टार्ट कर दे सेशन को। ओके, वेलकम, स्वागत। मतलब भाई आपको मेरा स्वागत करना चाहिए, मैं आया हूँ ना, आप तो यहीं हो कब से। इम्तियाज इज हियर, ऋषभ। सही सही सही। इंट्रोडक्शन वगैरह अभी नहीं रखते, टाइम कम है थोड़ा अपने पास, एग्जाम आने वाला है। बाकी 1 PM और 6 PM पर एनालिसिस आप पता ही होगा, आपको इसी चैनल पे होगा ना, ठीक है? ओके, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, जो भी है। और नॉन टेक महामैराथन मैंने बता ही दिया था कल भी, आज बता रहा हूँ फिर से, 8 फरवरी से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है, पूरा फुल पावर के साथ 8 फरवरी से स्टार्ट कर देंगे हम लोग नॉन टेक आपका इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए मैराथन वाली क्लासेस। इसके अलावा प्रिडिक्टिंग जो टूल है प्रिडिक्टर, वो लाइव हो जाएगा अपना 15 फरवरी से। ये थी सारी फ्री जानकारी। अब चलते हैं फ्री नॉलेज पर। सबसे पहले मैं बात करना चाहता हूं, पहले एक बार लाइक वाइक कर दो आराम से, शेयर कर लो आराम से, और फिर लग जाओ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में, बीच में कुछ नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है। कर दिया होगा आई थिंक, अभी तक तो इतनी देर से सेशन चल ही रहा था। स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले सवाल के साथ। पहला सवाल आज की स्क्रीन पर है 48th क्वेश्चन। 47th क्वेश्चन अभी तक आप कर चुके हैं। दिस इज 48th क्वेश्चन, एप्टीट्यूड 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन। अ डिजिटल वॉच X beeps every 30 seconds while watch Y beeps every 32 seconds. They beeped together at 10 a.m. The immediate next time that they will beep together is what? Good afternoon Ashish, Raju, Swapnil, Andy, Rishabh, Imtiaz. Swagat and good afternoon. Quick answer everybody, I'll be needing here. थोड़ा मैं आपको पता है ना फास्ट हूँ चीज़ों को लेके, तो फटाफट से एक बार मेरे को जवाब दो एंड देखते हैं। सर इस तरह का कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है ना, इफ यू गेट क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस इज वेरी सिंपल। व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम ऑफ 30 एंड 32, राइट। वेरी गुड इम्तियाज। सो एलसीएम निकालो इधर, फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम। सो एलसीएम ऑफ किसका 30 and 32. What would be the LCM? It would be 2 into 2 into, this would be 8 into 3 into 5. Or you can also say that 2 into 16 into 15, which is 480. Right? 480. This is what? Seconds. So in minute, it will be how much? It will be 8 minutes. Correct? So 10 a.m. के बाद 8 मिनट बाद they will beep together, means 10:08 a.m. will be the right answer. Next question. Michael lives 10 kilometer away where I live. ठीक है. Ahmed live 5 kilometers away and Susan live 7 kilometers away from where I live. Arun is farther away than Ahmed but closer than Susan from where I live. From the information provided here, what is one possible distance in kilometer at which I live from Arun's place? Quickly answer करेंगे everyone. आसान है सवाल, कुछ नहीं है, ध्यान से पढ़िए और जवाब आप दे दोगे। Arun is farther than Ahmed but closer than Susan. मतलब 5 और 7 के बीच में, correct? From information, what is the one possible distance? Okay, so answer would be somewhere between 5 and 7. So what is the answer everybody? Yes, that would be 6.02. बाकी सारे रेंज से बाहर है, right? This is not between 5 to 7, this is not between 5 to 7, this is not between 5 to 7. So 6.02 can be one of the answer, right sir? And out of all 4 provided option, B is the right one. Next. Based on the given statement, select the appropriate option with respect to grammar and usage. Statement कहते हैं the height of Mr. X is 6 feet. Height of Mr. Y is 5 feet. Mr. X is longer than Mr. Y. Mr. X is more elongated than Mr. Y. Mr. X is taller than Mr. Y. Mr. X is lengthier than Mr. Y. Very easy question it is, no need to waste the time. Taller will be the word that we have to use over here. Despite the new medicines dash in treatment diabetes, it is not dash widely. Despite the new medicine availability, effectiveness, prescription, acceptance. Look at the statement. Look at the need of the statement. Despite the new medicines, what? It is not dash widely. If we use the first statement, despite the new medicines, effectiveness in treating diabetes, It is not widely. It is not prescribed widely. So this is, I think, the right answer only, right? Next, P looks at Q. P looks at Q. Q looks at R. P is married. The number of and R is not unmarried. The number of pairs of people in which a married person is looking at an unmarried person. बताइए सर, number of pair of people in which married person is looking at an unmarried person. बोलेंगे सर, everybody quick answer आना चाहिए. Q का नहीं पता. They did not told us about Q. कृष्णा ने बोला डी, राणा डी, ऋषभ डी, कृष्णा फिर से डी, डी स्क्वायर हो गया कृष्णा की तरफ से, सबने डी बोला. ठीक है, अब एक काम करते हैं, इसको समझते हैं ध्यान से. क्यू का क्या है मेरे को पता है क्या? देखो, क्यू का दो पॉसिबिलिटी है, या तो क्यू मैरिड होगा या तो क्यू अनमैरिड होगा. सही है, बीच में तो कुछ नहीं होता, या तो आप शादीशुदा हो या आप नहीं हो. कुछ और चीजें भी होती है बट वो यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, एक नंबर में कहाँ डाइवोर्स वोर्स थोड़ी लेके आएंगे इसमें. ठीक है, मैरिड है या तो अनमैरिड है. दोनों कंडीशन लेके चलते हैं एक एक करके. अगर मान लो क्यू आपका मैरिड है, ठीक है, तो कंडीशन क्या होगी? मैरिड बंदा मैरिड को देख रहा है, ये तो नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन मैरिड बंदा अनमैरिड को देख रहा है, तो एक वन पॉसिबिलिटी बनी यहां से. हाँ या ना बोलेंगे फटाफट से एवरीबॉडी. नंबर ऑफ पेयर ऑफ पीपल इन विच मैरिड पर्सन इज लुकेड एट एन अनमैरिड. और अगर मान लो क्यू अनमैरिड है, मैरिड नहीं, मैंने कहा अनमैरिड है, तो अगर ये अनमैरिड हुआ तो क्या मैं कह सकता हूं, ये इसको देख रहा है और ये तो उसका काउंट ही नहीं होगा, अनमैरिड को देख रहा है. तो अगर ये मैरिड है या ये अनमैरिड है, कितनी पॉसिबिलिटी बन रही है? जब मैरिड है तब एक पॉसिबिलिटी बन रही है, जब अनमैरिड है तब भी एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी बन रही है. आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? नंबर ऑफ पेयर इज जस्ट वन इन विच अ मैरिड पर्सन इज लुकिंग एट एन अनमैरिड पर्सन. समझ आया दोस्त? एक नंबर का सवाल था, गलत हो गया सभी लोगों से. बोलिए, कोई दिक्कत किसी को समझने में? एवरीवन, इज इट करेक्ट? Is it clear? Ashish, Krishna, Imtiaz, Rishabh, Rana, everybody who has given the answer D. ठीक है, देखो एक थोड़ा सा मैं आपको बताता हूं एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे. थोड़ा सा आप याद रखना, एक नंबर का जो सवाल होगा वो कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड, थोड़ा सा कमी होगा. ठीक है, पेयर मीन्स टू नो सर. they are asking number of pair of people. pair of people मतलब एक जोड़ी, तो एक जोड़ी बन रहा है ना. one pair of shoes, so there is one pair PQ in second case, QR in first case. pair of people they are saying. Next question, easy question. A box contains 15 blue balls and 45 black balls. If two balls selected randomly without replacement, this is key point, without replacement, the probability of an outcome in which the first selected is a blue ball and second selected is a black ball. Probability that in first attempt we have got the blue ball is what? I'll say 15C1 by how many view we have? 15 plus ये 60, 60 C1. And in second case it should be black ball, so 45 C1 by, is it 60 by C1? It should be 60 by C1 or what? No, it should be 59 because there is no replacement. We did not put the ball back. So this will be how much when you solve it? 15 by 60, 45 by 59. and that would be 45 by 236. B option is right. Next question. Consider a square sheet of side 1 unit. The sheet is first folded along the main diagonal. This is followed by a fold along its line of symmetry. The resulting folded shape is again folded along its line of symmetry. The area of each face of the final folded shape is square unit. How much equals to how much square unit, or meter square basically, or unit square, whatever you like to call it. बताइए सर. एक कागज है आपके पास चौकोर स्क्वायर. You are folding it once diagonally, then from symmetrical line of symmetry, again you are doing it. If I have paper, I can show you also. I don't think so I have any. Okay, so guys, when you folded it, like initially area was how much? 1 only. 1 square is 1 only. पहले half में after first fold, how much was the area everybody? After first fold, पहले fold के बाद area कितना हो गया? After first fold, how much is the area? Can I say it would be 1 by 2? After second fold, how much would be the area? Can I say 1 by 4? And after third, 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 will be the right answer. Option D is right. How many of you got it right? Cool. Next question. Leela is older than her cousin Pavitra. Pavitra brother. Okay. Leela is older than Pavitra. Pavitra brother Shiva is older than Leela. So Shiva is oldest or eldest and Pavitra is youngest, right? Okay. When Pavitra and Shiva are visiting Leela, all three play chess. Pavitra wins more often than Leela. So winning of Pavitra is more than Leela. Next क्या है? Which one of the following statement must be true? Let's see that. Number 1, when Shiva plays chess with Leela, Pavitra, okay, he often loses. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं क्या? Tell me, yes or no? बताइए सर. शिवा का पता नहीं ना, दिया ही नहीं है. शिवा के बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन नहीं है, हटाओ. लीला इज ओल्डेस्ट, ये तो गलत ही है. शिवा इज बेटर चेस प्लेयर देन पवित्र. फिर वही बात, देखो पवित्र तो जीत ही रहा है लीला से ज्यादा, ठीक है, तो पवित्र वर्स्ट तो नहीं है, ठीक है, पवित्र वर्स्ट तो नहीं है. मतलब अभी तक जो जानकारी है उसके बेसिस पे पवित्र सबसे बढ़िया खेलता है, शिवा का पता नहीं. तो शिवा कैसे कह सकता हूं कि मैं बेटर खेलता है, जानकारी अधूरी है. अगला है पवित्र इज यंगेस्ट ऑफ 3. ये तो बिल्कुल सही है, ये मैंने आपको शुरुआत में ही बता दिया था. ऑप्शन डी यहां पे आपका बिल्कुल करेक्ट था. लेट्स सी कितने लोगों ने सही जवाब दिया है. 10 ही वोट दिए भाई. वोट करोगे कि नहीं करोगे? पोल में एक बार वोटिंग कर दिया करो. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. अगला सवाल. फाइंड द मिसिंग सीक्वेंस इन द लेटर सीरीज B, FH, LNP, डैश 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 4 डैश. SUWI, TUVW, TVXZ और TWXZ. ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द सीक्वेंस. क्या बोल रहा है देखो, ये B से F के बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है? बोलो. B से F तक पहुंचना है तो कितना आगे बढ़ा? C D E F 4 +4 किया तो F आ गया, ठीक है. और F से H आई थिंक +2 में आ गया, ठीक है. फिर अपना L देखो H से L कितना दूर है, IJKL, ये भी 4 पे ही है, और L से N +2, N से P +2। तो ये कुछ सीक्वेंस समझ आया आपको? ये अब यहां पे जो भी आएगा दैट वुड बी व्हाट, +4, +4 टू P। कौन है +4 टू P? T है। T के 2 जोड़ दो, V, V में 2 जोड़ दो, V होगा। X, X में 2 जोड़ दो, Z। तो TVXZ किधर है? ऑप्शन सी इज राइट। बताओ कितने लोगों ने जवाब दिया? आसान था पर 2 नंबर का था, इसलिए थोड़ा सा ये सोचना पड़ा। अभी ये देखो एक बार जिगजैग, ये अपना क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पजल देखो कौन सा इसमें सही है। जिक्सॉ, जिक्सॉ पजल हैज 2 पीसेस, one of the piece is shown above. Which one of the given option of for the missing piece when assembled will form rectangle? देखो की पॉइंट्स देखो फटाफट से और जवाब दो क्विकली एवरीवन। एजेस पकड़ो, एजेस, हमेशा इस तरह के सवाल में एजेस पकड़ा करिए। एजेस देखो, मैच करने का कोशिश करो एजेस को। देखो यहां पे लास्ट में आपको कुछ इस तरह का दिख रहा है ना, दैट टू इनसाइड, ठीक है, इनसाइड। तो यहां पे भी है पर ये बाहर की तरफ है, तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता। यहां पे तो कुछ इस तरह का है ही नहीं, और यहां पे अगर है भी तो ये ऑपोजिट साइड है, होना चाहिए था तो इस तरफ, यहां इस साइड में, ठीक है। अगर इसको आप बैठाओगे इस पे बैठेगा ही नहीं, ये वाला हिस्सा जो है वो यहां पे आएगा, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल। ये भी गया, डायरेक्ट आंसर आ गया ऑप्शन बी। भाई बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है ये, 2 नंबर में पूछा गया है, गेट का ही क्वेश्चन है ये भी। अगला सवाल फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स से सभी लोगों की पेशकश पे जल्दी से जवाब दीजिए फटाफट एवरीबॉडी। पेश किया गया है आपके सामने फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स का बेहतरीन बट कंसेप्चुअल सवाल। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट रिगार्डिंग स्ट्रीमलाइन? स्ट्रीमलाइन आर a family of curve that are instantaneously tangent to the velocity vector. Streamline never intersect itself except stagnation point. Speed of flow is directly proportional to spacing. For steady flow, path line and streamline coincide with each other. Everybody would answer this question. हो जाओ शुरू, धड़ाधड़ जवाब कमेंट बॉक्स में। सर स्ट्रीमलाइन जो है आपकी, स्ट्रीमलाइन बिल्कुल सही बात है, यहां इसकी प्योर डेफिनेशन ही यही है बेसिकली, ठीक है। सब्सक्राइब भी करते जाएंगे चैनल को। स्ट्रीमलाइन कभी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करता, हाँ स्टैग्नेशन पॉइंट पे ये एक दूसरे से इंटरसेक्ट कर जाता है। स्पीड ऑफ फ्लो इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल, मतलब अगर गैप बढ़ा, स्पेसिंग बढ़ा, बोले तो अगर अपने पास इस तरह से स्ट्रीमलाइन है तो ये कह रहे हैं कि वेलोसिटी इधर ज्यादा होगी, वेलोसिटी इधर कम होगी। ये तो गलत हो गया, इनडायरेक्टली होना चाहिए। और ये तो ठीक ही था, तो करेक्ट आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन सी, क्योंकि इन्होंने इनकरेक्ट पूछा था आपसे। करेक्ट है, सही है। नेक्स्ट, मेथडोलॉजीज कंट्रोल सेपरेशन ऑफ फ्लो फ्रॉम बाउंड्री। बताइए सेपरेशन ऑफ फ्लो को अगर कंट्रोल करना है तो कौन सी मेथडोलॉजी आप यूज कर सकते हैं? आपके पास MSQ सवाल है, बताएं। Suction of fluid from the boundary layer, fluid injection into the boundary layer, creating a motion of the boundary wall, or stream lining of blunt body shape. Quickly answer everybody. 100 लाइक पहुंचेंगे क्या? Let's see if we reach 100 likes today before I close the session. टोटल 65 क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास हैं। सक्शन बिल्कुल ठीक है, इंजेक्शन भी बिल्कुल ठीक है, क्रिएटिंग मोशन ऑफ बाउंड्री वॉल बिल्कुल ठीक है, और स्ट्रीमिंग ऑफ ब्लड बॉडी शेप बिल्कुल ठीक है। ऑल आर करेक्ट, सारे ऑप्शन सही है इसमें। नोट डाउन कर लेना इफ यू डिड नॉट नो दिस, लिख लीजिएगा कहीं भी। अगला सवाल बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, एक ही सवाल से आपका काफी फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स रिवाइज होगा। बताइए भाई, कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो, ABCD अगर डाउट है तो। द वेलोसिटी फील्ड इन अ फ्लूइड इज गिवन लाइक दिस, ओके। वेलोसिटी वेक्टर दिया है, u दिया है आपको, v दिया है। अब आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है। नंबर 1, वेलोसिटी फील्ड इज वन डायमेंशनल। वन डायमेंशनल तो नहीं है, पहला स्टेटमेंट तो गलती है। खैर साफ दिख रहा है यहां पे आपके पास I और J दो कंपोनेंट है। द फ्लो इज इनकंप्रेसिबल, कैसे पता चलेगा कंप्रेसिबल है कि नहीं है, इनकंप्रेसिबल है कि नहीं है। डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ वेलोसिटी वेक्टर 0 होना चाहिए। देख लो डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ वेलोसिटी वेक्टर 0 है क्या। डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ वेलोसिटी वेक्टर का मतलब हो गया del u by del x plus del v by del y should be equals to 0. Del u by del x will be how much? 4y plus del v by del y 2, ये तो 0 हो गया, माइनस 2y। तो ठीक है, ये हो गया 4y माइनस 4y बराबर 0, ये तो ठीक है। फ्लो इज इरोटेशनल बेटा, फ्लो इज इरोटेशनल के लिए क्या करोगे, ओमेगा z निकालना पड़ेगा, राइट। इरोटेशन मतलब 0 होना चाहिए, तो हाफ और एक्स वाई है ना अपने पास, सो डेल एक्स डेल वाई डेल वी डेल यू। डेल वी बाई डेल एक्स विल बी हाउ मच, फिर से वही 4x डेल यू बाई डेल वाई माइनस 4x, 0 हो गया आपका, ये भी ठीक है। एक्सेलरेशन एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय फ्लूइड पार्टिकल इज 0, निकाल लो एक्सेलरेशन। अगर आप x डायरेक्शन की बात करो, मैं अपने पीछे लिख देता हूं, यह जगह थोड़ी सी मेरे पास कंसाइज है। अगर मैं x डायरेक्शन की बात करूं, सो u डेल यू बाय डेल एक्स प्लस v डेल यू बाय डेल वाई, ठीक है सर, प्लस u डेल v बाय डेल एक्स प्लस v डेल v बाय डेल वाई। सर इसको जब आप सॉल्व करते हो दिस वुड ऑल्सो कम एज 0, सो ऑप्शन डी भी आपका ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे ए गलत था, बी सी डी बिल्कुल ठीक था, एंड वेरी गुड जिसने भी जवाब सही से दिया है। अगला सवाल, व्हाट इज द सुपर एलिवेशन इन सेंटीमीटर टू बी प्रोवाइडेड फॉर एन एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ 75 किलोमीटर पर आवर फॉर अ ब्रॉड गेज ट्रैक विद अ 2 डिग्री कर्व राउंड ऑफ टू 1 डेसिमल प्लेस। प्लीज बताएं। ये सवाल बस एक ही रीजन से मैं रखता हूं जनरली अपनी क्लास में, जिससे कि आपको मैं जो नया इसमें चेंज है वो बता सकूं। जनरली अभी भी स्टूडेंट पुराने तरीके से इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं, आंसर गलत आएगा, एग्जामिनर उसको कैंसिल कर देगा, नेगेटिव मार्किंग दे देगा, ठीक है। तो ऐसा ना हो इसलिए ये सवाल मैं आपके सामने दोबारा लेके आया हूं। दोबारा मतलब डेटा अलग है, क्वेश्चन का टाइप अलग है, बट कंसेप्ट वही है। What is the super elevation to be provided? बेटा बताइए फटाफट से, everybody will answer. So this will be GV square by 127 R. Correct? Here G will be 17. If you want the answer in meter, you can write 1.750. We can convert this later also. Velocity is 75, 127, R कैसे आएगा, R would be 1750 by D degree, D is कितना 2 डिग्री, so this is 875, so 875, When you solve this, you get the value as 0.0885. but ये मीटर में, आंसर was asked in सेंटीमीटर अप टू 1 डेसिमल, तो 8.8 आपका आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, only 65 question we have. Quickly answer. What shall the coefficient of lateral friction for an exit taxiway if design exit speed and radius of exit taxiway are 100 kilometers per hour and 700 meter respectively? बताइए प्लीज. सवाल आसान है, जवाब आप सब जानते हैं, बता दीजिए. देखिए सर, रेडियस अगर हम बात करें, पहले क्राइटेरिया की यहां पे हम मदद लेंगे. R इज इक्वल्स टू वी स्क्वायर बाय 125 एफ चाहिए इस बार. रेडियस दिया हुआ है 700, वेलोसिटी 100. एफ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. एफ निकालोगे आप, यह आ जाएगा 0.114. एक नंबर का सवाल था, एकदम ठंडा क्वेश्चन. अगला सवाल आपकी स्क्रीन पर. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ स्टील रिक्वायर्ड पर मीटर लेंथ ऑफ द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल जॉइंट इन अ रिजिड पेवमेंट ऑफ थिकनेस 24 सेंटीमीटर with 2 lane of total width of 7 meter? Allowable working stress is 1400 kg per centimeter square. Unit weight of concrete is 2400 kg per meter cube. Coefficient of friction is 1.5. Please answer. What is the area of steel? Area of steel for per meter is F BH by sigma ST. निकाल लो. देखो सब कुछ दिया हुआ है आपको, फटाफट से सभी स्टूडेंट्स. हाँ जी, वैल्यूज पुट करते हैं. एफ इज 1.5, डब्ल्यू विल बी 2400, बी इज कितना हो जाएगा, लेंथ कितना दिया है 7 ना, 3.5, एच 0.24, सिग्मा एस टी इज 1400, बट ये सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में, मीटर स्क्वायर में कर देते हैं इसके हम लोग. 4 सॉल्व करिए यहां से सर. आपके पास एरिया आया होगा 2.16 मीटर स्क्वायर. पूछा किसमें इन्होंने, सवाल में बताना चाहिए था इनको किस में वैल्यू चाहिए, इन्होंने बताई नहीं है, वो अलग बात है. ठीक है, हमें क्या, अगर इन्होंने बोला होता सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर में तो आंसर होता 2.16 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नहीं बोला है तो अभी हम किसी में भी लिख के, हमारी मर्जी है. ठीक है, ऐसा एग्जाम में होगा नहीं, एग्जाम में बताएगा आपको. अगला सवाल है, फटाफट से जवाब देंगे सब लोग. क्या कहता है क्वेश्चन, एक बार देख लेते हैं. If value of Young's modulus for pavement and subgrade is 22 megapascal and deflection for rigid and flexible pavement is 8 mm and 5 mm respectively, then the ratio of deflection factor at the surface of a rigid pavement to the deflection factor at the surface of flexible pavement due to a wheel load of 32 kilonewton and tire pressure of 0.8 megapascal. यहाँ पे बेसिकली आपको रिजिड पेवमेंट का डिफ्लेक्शन फैक्टर और फ्लेक्सिबल पेवमेंट का डिफ्लेक्शन फैक्टर का रेशियो निकालना है. दैट इज वेरी सिंपल टू फाइंड आउट. ठीक है, सबसे पहले रिजिड पेवमेंट की मैं बात करूं अगर, या रिजिड प्लेट की बात करूं, पेवमेंट लिखा गया है. ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा आपका 1.18 PA by ES into F2. ये F2 चाहिए मुझे. Right sir, this is what I need because this delta is given. Delta is given as 8 mm. And for flexible, it is 1.5 PA by ES F2 डेल्टा विच इज गिवन एज 5 mm. बताइए, बेसिक थिंग आई हैव गिवन यू. डू यू हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ ए? ए दिया है क्या? A you have to find out, but something else must be given, right? Wheel load given and tire pressure is given. From here you can find out the contact area. So contact area would be how much? Contact area would be wheel load by tire pressure 32,000 by 0.8. F2 Shiva is deflection factor. होता तो है इसमें बर्मिस्टर मेथड. एंटायर प्रोसेस इज देयर. कन्वेंशनल क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो केम लास्ट ईयर. ठीक है सर, ये आ जाएगा कितना आपके पास? दिस वुड बी 40,000 mm स्क्वायर. 40,000 mm स्क्वायर, राइट. आई वांट रेडियस, राइट. सो पाई ए स्क्वायर इज 40,000. फ्रॉम हियर ए वैल्यू शुड बी 112.84 mm. Now put the values here, everybody. Can you quickly tell me what is the value of F2 for rigid plate? हाँ जी, देखिए मैं यहां पे रखता हूं वैल्यूज को. रुकिए आपके लिए. सो आपके पास यहां पे आ जाएगा सर 8 equals 1.18. P value would be 0.8. A value would be 112.84 divided by ES would be how much? 22, correct? Into F2 which is required. And second is 5 into 1.5 into 0.8 into 112.84 by 22 into F2. तो सर यहां से आपके पास ये F21 और F22 आ जाएगा. F21 जो आएगा दैट वुड बी 1.65 and this F22 would be equals to 0.812. They are asking deflection factor ratio, correct? So it would be 1.65 by 0.812. This should be somewhere around 2.032. किस किस को आ गया आंसर? फटाफट से बोलते जाइएगा. गलत आ गया भाई ये 0.041. तो कोई नहीं, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, इसके बाद छुट्टी. डिटरमाइन द थ्योरेटिकल कैपेसिटी ऑफ ट्रैफिक लेन इन व्हीकल पर आवर हैविंग वन वे ट्रैफिक, ओके, इज 50 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. एवरेज रिएक्शन टाइम इज 2.5 seconds. लेंथ ऑफ व्हीकल इज 6 मीटर. If you are smart enough, you know why this question is here. Please. देखो इस बड़ा एक सिंपल सा इसमें फंडा है. That we know that capacity is equals to 1000 by S into V. V is 50 kilometer per hour. Very good. But what is the value of S? One way is this. Tell me, should I use this or not? No. Yes, very good, Mukul. S should be SSD plus L in this case. Put the values 0.278 into V into TR plus V square by 254 F plus 6. यहां से आपके पास SSD का वैल्यू आएगा whatever it is. मुकुल आपने निकाला होगा, बताना एक बारी क्या है SSD वैल्यू. निकालो फटाफट से, कैलकुलेट नहीं किया मैंने. 100.36. Put the values. into 50, whatever you are getting from here. That's your answer. If the reaction time they would have not given, or maybe they would have wrote 0.7 or something like that, then we had to use the first formula which I wrote. And that is your full and final mock test of civil. I think this is the last mock test before your GATE exam, right? कितना स्कोर आया, कितने नंबर बन रहे हैं आप लोगों के, बताइए। जोड़े मार्क्स। बाकी आज सेशन में और भी आप लोगों के लिए, अगर आपको ना पता हो, व्हाट शुड बी एक्सपेक्टेड फॉर सिविल एस्पिरेंट्स फ्रॉम अदर ब्रांचेस, एग्जाम बाकी ब्रांच का तो हो ही गया है, तो उनसे हम क्या सीख सकते हैं वो समझेंगे। ठीक है, आज के सेशन में अभिनव सर होंगे मेरे साथ, ऋचा मैम होंगी, हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे। ठीक है, चलिए, आशा करता हूं सेशन से कुछ ना कुछ आपने जरूर नया सीखा होगा। अब मैं आपसे मिलूंगा अगले सेशन में। टिल देन प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर फैमिली। इफ यू वांट द पीडीएफ, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द लिंक ऑफ द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, जहां से आपको पीडीएफ प्रोवाइड करवा दी जाएगी। ठीक है सर, इसी के साथ वक्त हो गया है कहने का आप सभी लोगों को अलविदा आज के इस सेशन से। बाकी फिर मिलेंगे, अभी बहुत सारे और सेशंस आप लोगों के लिए प्लान्ड है, जिसमें आपको हम बस नॉलेज 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 और नॉलेज ही देते रहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन। टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ and please take care of your family. Bye bye. Have a nice day.